If the leader cannot fix this country, let them quietly, peacefully call for a referendum, and people who are wise will sit together, and there will be what they call miracle or manukatan, mekati, a milliard.
Oh, goodness, the father, so
this one should go there, this one should go there, so and so. But look at how we are going to be handling it. So and so. People will be happy. Things will begin to move well. The youth cannot wait forever. They are going out and coming in, and they're watching the internet. They have seen that this is not how countries are ruled.
Father, this is how we see it in this country. Oh.
If Nigeria will be one country, Nigeria will be. If Nigeria will not be, God will share everything. Nobody can stop God from doing what he wants. If God says being one will scatter everybody, God can share. Go to your various zones. As for all, there was a time the British people were controlling Nigeria. Are they still controlling now? Do we not have our own president now? Are we not independent now? By that time, if you talk about Nigeria's independence, it will be like a taboo. It will be a treasonable offense. In the 1930s, 40s, 50s, until 1960, God said enough is enough. The same God is still alive.
Yes, our God is alive.
Begin to talk, they want to go. They want to go. Listen to them. If there's a need for them to go, they should go. Instead of staying together and nobody is comfortable, nothing is moving well. We shan't die together under one pot. We can still be one brothers in one homogeneous former Nigeria. There was one old East Central region when Anambra, Imo, Abia, Ebonyi, and Enugu are in one state. Nothing is impossible. An idea which time has come, nobody can stop.
God help us in this country. Our leaders know what to do, but corruption won't let them.
So our leaders
do
should
the
look
right
into
thing.
what is happening and follow the trend of events wisely and act timely before it is too late. Because the signs in the atmosphere are manifestations that God is in action. Amen. You know, certain things we say here, if you ask Father Mbaka how, he doesn't know. Like this thing I'm talking about, shall we go? Now, Enugu is an autonomous state. Anambra is an autonomous state. Doing very well. Ebonyi is an autonomous state. Doing very, very well. Abia is an autonomous state. Doing well. Imo is an autonomous state. Facing her battles.
No be small battle for Imo State, honestly.
And wars. But the important thing is that it's no longer one old East Central state. And in the future, one president will say, come and add more states. There could be other states.
Every media handle. So it's the time where every media handle supposed to focus and spread the good news that Biafra is no longer a government in exile, that Biafra now is a nation, that the world should recognize that Biafra nation. Remember, once a nation is being declared from exile, it is no longer a government in exile. Every Lazar office automatically turned to embassy. This time that we had, this festival time, is a time to spread the news that Biafra is no longer a government in exile. Biafra now is a nation. in Biafra land. So therefore, anybody still hanging on the platform of government in exile should exist from there. It is no longer government in exile because it has been declared. It is a nation, the United States of Biafra nation. We are here this evening to educate those of you who are ignorant about what you're supposed to do at this time. The distraction should stop. The confusion should end.
All right, welcome back. Welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Welcome back. How are we all doing today? This is the weekend. I hope all is well with you. Thank you for joining me this hour. We have some people on the comment section that I would like to go through their names and the messages. I am innocent is here. You are the fourth person that made a comment. And Isaac, I see you. Doreen, our sister, Chioroke is here with me. Is here with us today, and I see your message. Biafra in God we trust. Kai report. I greet you, Biafra, be strong. And that's his message. And Christopher, I see you, Christopher. Christopher says, Mazekai, good morning. My regard to your family. Mazekai, Alagaban, Ndia, Chata, and in the fall back. Thank you. Wake Stanley, I see you. We move. Ogwejo 4 is here. And we have Ugode, let me call you Chukwebuka. I see you, Chukwebuka, Papa Smith, our own Biafran Exodus. Biafran Exodus is here. I greet one of our mommy, our own sister Tina is here with us. I'm innocent. I saw him. Okay, yeah, I think I've sent my greetings to you before. You said again, Mazkai, may the oil in your head never dry. Thank you for that. In Eche, I see you, an easy way. All of you, Charles, Frank. Okay, this is 7 minutes to the program, so let us start. Let's go straight to the program. I would like to start by bringing my own reaction. This is my own reaction towards this news. All right. I've seen that many of us are so pleased and happy. Everything you can, the way you want to put it, you can about this issue. You know, Biafran Ejemma that COS displayed. She shared that on her handle. It's good. All right, don't get me wrong, but I think my reaction is not going to be like other people, and some of you may misunderstand it, but some of you will that can reason. I believe we understand where I'm coming from. In as much as we love to see everything going very, very fine in USB, there's, I think, Anagochawa and Agwo 2. You understand? Agwo 1, Agwo 2, before Agwo 3. You don't just count 10, 20 without following it, you know, the way it's supposed to be. We all want to see everything. We all want to see progress. We all want to see, you know, our freedom being assured, being granted, being approved by nations of the world. But like I said, Anagochawa and Agwo 2. I think the cabinet of USB need to step up in many things. The cabinet need to step up. There are some things that they do that to me I feel is a good thing, but they're doing it at the wrong time. It's a good thing to do that, but it's coming at the wrong time. We are talking about the IDP camp, insecurity, everything going on in our land. Not this kind of move. If you ask me, this is my personal opinion, and I have my reason why I did not share with anybody, like to seek for reasons. Okay, I try to digest on my own. You understand? And I'm not going to say more about it. The only thing I want us to know is that I expect more cabinet member, not CS alone. CS is the leader in PM's absence, and she is the one directing and piloting everything, which is very, very good. But we also need to understand that there are something you have to do. You have to make sure that USB military should be number one. Because the era of we don't have military has come and gone, because there are some people that USB parade on 30th of May, and they should be well equipped, well informed in terms of the danger at hand, not even ahead, because it's already here. Do you understand what I'm talking about? It's already here. I believe that the best thing to do is to focus on military. The reason is because the danger is at hand. Like any good state now is not conducive. We all can see the threats. We know the threat, and it's not as if it's peculiar to Igbo land alone or Biafra land alone. All that go to Benue, go to Yoruba land, they're running helter-skelter. And in terms of government, we are the least that government will come for their rescue. If they cannot rescue people from Plateau, they couldn't rescue people from Benue, they couldn't even rescue people from Yoruba land. Is it you that is not even seen, or nobody, there's no seat for you in the government? Is it you that they will come for their rescue? It's quite scary. And fallback people have done a lot of damages. They have done a lot of damages. Now that Biafrans are regaining themselves from that shock, from their disaster, I think the best thing to do is to focus on the issue at hand. Don't get me wrong, the money is good, like I said, but to me, they are doing it at the wrong time. That's all I can say about it, and I hope that cabinet members will understand this part. Like, they should pay more attention on that. Just like last week we talked about media, right? We know what happened last week. So this kind of thing shouldn't be one person's decision. It should be cabinet members unanimously come together and deliberate on this kind of thing. If they are the ones that are taking this move, to me, it's wrong. At this point in time, it's wrong. Printing money is good for awareness, but I think awareness is enough. I don't want to this issue of awareness. That reminds me of DS and IPB stuff that keep on carrying fly from country to country. Every flower in Europe, they go there and take a selfie, make video, and just to make people believe that something is going on, whereas they don't take any steps. So this is not about creating awareness. The awareness is more than enough. That is number one. Number two, the next move to take, like I said, it should be military. Do you understand? It should be military. So let them focus the energy on that. This is issue of printing this one, ID card. Oh, it's good, like I said, but let your attention not be 100% there. Because honestly, after 10th of May parade, personally, I have not seen any military. I have not seen any move, any action. That the reason why we don't hammer on this side. People will not say, oh, you are trying to fall back. It's not about falling back. It's about sitting the record straight. The reality. Being real. That's what I'm talking about. I'm not here to side anybody. There's a reason why I am not in government cabinet, in government media. There's a reason. And that reason is this something like this. To make sure that we remind us what we're supposed to do, where we're supposed to stand. You forget about fallback and their Charter Republic. Their shenanigan is not about the cabinet members. In fact, I love that aspect of the cabinet. They don't deliberate much on them. They're not even looking at back to see what they're doing. Leave it for Biafrans. Leave it for Biafran citizens to handle them. Okay? We are on it. We are talking about it. So it's none of your business. Focus on what you are doing. And that thing, we also, as we are doing that, make sure that our land is not, being taken for a ride. Let it be, you understand what I'm talking about. We have a government that is people that are in the government, they are well educated. So they're not people that you have to be talking like a gongoro before they understand what they're saying. Coded language, they already know. That's my belief, because their sound, their mind and everything, their sound, they're educated, they're equipped. But that doesn't mean that everything they do must be excellent. This move of printing money, to me, is wrong, and is a good thing done at the wrong time. Because, like I said, we cannot be reading in the news how they bomb market. And we cannot be reading news how they're Fulani kidnapping children, keeping them taking them to unknown destination, unknown location. We cannot be reading news how Fulanis are moving their cows in the villages, not even farm anymore. Inside community, no longer farmland. We are seeing that, and instead of us to focus on making sure that we curtail their excesses, we are looking at printing something. To me, it's not a good move at all. If I have my way to talk to any cabinet member, maybe CS, anybody at all, I would have done that. But even if I have, I will not be honestly, because they're not going to listen to me. I'm being honest. So all I can do is what I'm doing now. So if you're a cabinet member, if you are close to CS, if you are close to defense secretary, all of them should understand that this is. I don't think, I say, guys, don't you think I may have part of the PM plan? Yeah, like I say, it's a good thing done at the wrong time. Like I said, it's a good thing done at the wrong time. The money is of course is good, but not now. Channel the money to make sure that even if you want you to recruit more army, let it be done, no, because you cannot be the land that we are talking about cannot be in hand of Fulani, and we are talking about the government. So that's, and I'm going to end it here. Now let's move to the issue of Biafra Unite comment. Not only Biafra Unite, even not Adoko. Why is it in France? Why is it in France? They now decided to target Pastor Rose. If it's only why is it that talk about her, I wouldn't mind, because I know that you're coming from a mad woman. But as long as Biafra disunite, because normally, if you know what is going on or what has happened so far, to me is good. It's good because it helps us to know many people. If you ask me to write a comprehension about Biafra Unite before, the story would have been very, very okay in favor of him. But now, no. This guy and Eggman, these are people that have questionable character, 24/7 questionable character. You can't trust them, you can't rely on them. These are people who know how to blackmail people for a living. I caught my cap when he said that COS is working with the Bubago, using the Bubago to attack Okigwe, to attack the one. Even if CS is working with the Bubago person, is this CS that attacking Okigwe? Think about it. Do you think that CS that you know will mobilize people to go all out somewhere to attack a Biafran Liberation Army? That is a lie. And this guy he knows that. Even the silent that government agents that are doing that said to attack Biafran Liberation Army in Okigwe is captured in the video. The guy was busy analyzing it. That's Ngoso Rabeze. Oh, my people, Biafrans. You can see. I told you that these people are don't mean good for them. In a query, Now, you are not telling people that Pastor Rose is a propagandist, really. Coming from you, of all people, you that we know. It's not possible. It's not possible. Do you understand? How can you tell me that after what you have said so far, after lying to people, after pretending to be what you are not, cooking up stories, okay, you told Biafrans that you want to organize there will be a protest in Finland by people if Biafrans have decided to protest in favor of their prime minister. Whereas you are the one planning it. We saw it, we know, we kept quiet. Not because of you, not because of anything, but because of PM. So that people will not misunderstand it that, oh, you are attacking, you are using your platform to stop Biafran protest for PM. You campaigned that for weeks to gain ground. Because now, fall back, he refused to back you up because they already know that this coup, you started planning and plotting it for a long time. As crazy as it may sound, some of them in fallback, they actually understand, they know that somehow the issue of that protest is a way of penetrating them to make sure that they keep everybody away from what is going on. Because they understand that if they allow you to do that protest, you will get more ground. They tried by blocking you there. Then because what the mistake they made is that they slack back, thinking that they have caught your move, yeah, that they have blocked you, without knowing that you have another strategy, which is what you have done now, and you achieve it very, very fine. Because finally, Biafra unites, Biafra disunite, Sia and why Isocha have finally penetrated the fallback republic and dismantled them bit by bit. And the bomb they laid that have actually exploded, that explosive device they laid on them, they have thrown on them, yeah, it's still exploding. They have not ended because today their organization will take a different shape. I'm saying it because I know that it will happen. After today, by this time next week, the whole story will change. And it's not going to end there. Believe you me, in as much as you guys are doing what you are doing now, you will still move to another attack. Another attack will start from Adokoko and why is such in France. Because that one, destabilization is her second name. Her surname is destabilization and confusion. Do you understand? So we know that this is Genesis, the mark, the move that will actually cement this nonsense. Like Enena said, that is this month will be the final. That finger of God that people will know that God's hand is in this. And it has started, like he said. I was in his platform yesterday. That's why I called him a man of God. I did not say that to make anybody happy, but that's what it is. Even come, I will go not. In our please, I forgot to remind you also that this afternoon PM called me. Yes, he called me today about the fundraising. He said a lot of things, but I can only give you the one that is in public, that can go in the public. PM send his warm greeting to all of you, those of you that are here, and those of you that will go to watch later. PM said I should greet you. How is your family? And he also said that one thing you must do is to like this video. You have to like this video and share it to many platforms of your choice. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to both of our channel here and our second channel. You have to do that. You make sure that you do that and keep your comment coming. Mazi Chidebere, I hope you are not laughing at the message or is there anything? What is funny here? Are you doubting me or what? I don't want to see anybody doubting me. PM called me, so he said someone said PM called you that last night. Wow. PM called me, so please do what PM said. Oba told me, Oba don't love calling, to be honest with you. In fact, he miscalled me, then I returned the call. Papa Smith, it seems like you have already received your own message. Did PM call you also? Because please make sure you like the video. From not me, I'm not the one saying you should like the video because I don't want you guys to misunderstand me. PM just passed this message to me. Do you understand? This afternoon. In fact, he said, "Can report?" I said, "Yes." Can report? I said, "Yes." He said, "Go out there and tell them." Send the message. PM called me too. Wow. Oh, buddy, church ambassador. PM called you too. Papa Smith said PM called you. Tina, did you receive any call from PM? Obatobe called me too. So, you see? So, all of you, maybe you guys have, if you want, when I put the link, please, once you come, first thing I want to tell Biafra the message from PM. The message is you hitting the like button is number one. You commenting and subscribing. That is what PM said. That this is the only one I can tell you. The other one is between us and you have learned from Biafra disunite and okay, PM called me. Okay, so now you get the point. PM called Adan Dojo. PM called Ogenkere. Ogenkere but say I'm not gonna pay every 5 minutes. PM called Akwara Wasani. I hope you know that. Of course, the Ejemma. PM called me. Because every poultry farm in Europe is crying, where is this man coming from? Who is this man? Who is this man? We thought this, all this Keoya Nebu work that time. That is the one virus Nebu work that time. Okay, I don't know. Some of you can recall. There was a time then in homeland that you cannot. They said that bird flu. Remember what the time of bird flu? So all the poultry farm in Europe, they are crying. They are crying. Who is this man? Because the guy, every egg, not Ebola, bird flu. Ebola won't get the cap of all your cocoa. Oh, go on a big talk. I think you have to boil it almost 30 minutes before you eat it. People were scared of eating eggs. Then I think that was years ago. Years ago. I will not tell you where I was that time so that you guys will not laugh. But you understand what I'm talking about. So this guy had been destroying eggs in Europe. And every poultry farm in Europe, they are crying. So they said that they suffered from bird flu. They were scared of bird flu. Who is this guy? This guy have damaged damaged things more than bird flu itself. You understand? So Ejemma, PM called him and said, please, reduce your hand. Reduce hand. The way you're smashing people's egg is not friendly at all. So that's a message from PM to him. But he don't want to tell us that one. Me, I'm a very open person. That's why I share everything. You understand? That's why I can relate because the message is very simple. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like the video. That's the message from PM, and that's all. So everybody, why you saw that before back? PM told you have to fall back, and on the land, the woman is already out. Did she feel fall back? She tried to fall back. Okay, close the gate. You understand? Then she have destroyed Ogenkere. I give her praise on that one. She said Ogenkere packing. The woman called that said that PM is not the owner of Biafra. The one they called Canada rep of Fundraising was a Muslim. Thank you so much, my brother, for your super chat. I really appreciate you. And your nature. Thank you. God bless you. I really appreciate you for this. May God reward you mightily. Guy, I just got off the phone with PM just now. If you don't listen, if you have not received call from PM, you are not doing well. You are not performing. There are something that you need to do. Close your eyes, meditate. You understand? You will hear from PM. If your phone will ring immediately. Whether you are using Nokia Touch, you are using Android, iPhone, If you want to hear from PM, you will hear from PM. PM is talking for free. PM will call you. In fact, even if you call PM back, they will not deduct any airtime from your phone. Your airtime will be intact. Do you understand? That is how important PM call is now. But don't ask me which of the PM, because anybody can be a PM. You understand? if they can generate ATM in the space of 24 hours, is it who am I? People can generate PM anytime, any day. And I'm not capable that Donald Trump want to call me, but I'm just trying to. Although they will kill, I'm not capable that one. No, Trump may even put a call to me. You understand? Netanyahu also want to call me to ask me, what do you think about what's going on between us and Iran? I'm just trying to dodge a call. You understand? I'm just trying to dodge a call. And a lot of people are trying to call me. I'm the one that choosing who to talk to. You know, that kind of thing. I want people. Now let's hear from. Okay, before then, let me say it, because we are talking about Biafra Disunite and their recent attack, claiming that our own sister, our own mommy, Pastor Rose, is a propagandist coming from liar manufacturers. These are people that if you want to learn how to lie, go close to them. They will inform you, they will educate you. The way that I'm hearing from PM left and right, that's where you will have information left and right. They use the same thing, pure faceless person, my dear. Liar of this modern age. He's one. Normally I was thinking that why Isocha and Eggman, they hold the flag of lie competition. They are the defending champion. Anybody that want to take the mountain, she wrestle them. You have to fight them. But these are defending champions. I don't know that Biafra United is the one. Is like grandmaster of them. You mold your platform to dish out lie anytime you want. Who does that? Oh, she went there to do propaganda, not propaganda. Yeah, that she's a propagandist. She's a there for propaganda. Really? Coming from you, that is very, very well attached to why Isocha, that is queen of propagandists. You are well attached to what is the name of the other one? Eggman. Eggman own is shocking. Honestly, because Daniel Osula, my brother, thank you so much for your super chat. May God reward you mightily. I appreciate you. Anywhere you come from, may it reward you in 100 or 1,000,000 fold. Thank you so much for super chat. I appreciate it. Olo State is here. You are just coming to one number. Mazekai reports, good evening, and all the genuine Biafran all over the world. USB will stand. That is your government. You don't need to. I did your guy on a car for my dear. And let me use the opportunity to say this because of this message of this our brother. Okay, please. I'm not going here tonight I'm going to bring fundraising to go and laugh. No, you don't need to go there and laugh. Be in your government and support. Okay. If you want, they're not going to delete their fundraising. You can also watch it after. But being in your own government is to encourage other people. Be in the Zoom meeting because the link will be shared. Join in the Zoom meeting. Join in any platform of your choice. The issue is this: you are there to do something, to donate, to support. ₦1, $1, $5 is not too much because $1 that Master said $1 times 1 million. You know how much is that? $1. If 1 million Biafrans come out and say, okay, how much is $1 in Naira? I think 1,500, 1,600. $1. All of us here can afford it. That's just the fact. Imagine if you donate $1. 1 million people, 1 million Biafrans. We how many millions are we? Biafrans are more than almost. If you ask me, I will tell you more than 80. My own, if you think, because we are we're very, very big. People that are in diaspora, in homeland, and they're talking about people from Biafra in Kogi, in Edo, in Rivers, Igbo land, in all those riverine areas, we are all Biafrans. If we do decide to donate $1, that is $1 million. It's not that some of us are not ready to do what we do. Even if you want, you don't have to donate. You've been there to encourage and even to support those that are donating, or even to preach or to bring people that can donate. It's part of it. I'm not care for what is now. You can't just fold your hand and say, because when the kidnappers and the vendors come, they don't ask you, are you an IPOB member? Are you talking about Biafra? Are you support? No. You are all in Yemiri, you are all infidel. Do you understand it? Many people that are victim of them are actually one Nigerianists. Many of them are one Nigerianists. But they ended up in their hands, and government will do absolutely nothing. If your governor can be handicapped, is it your reverend father is not going to be handicapped? Some that government that had that receive allocation couldn't do. Who would you expect to do that for you? That is the danger. That's the problem. Okay? And our brother here have a message for them. Let's hear from.
Message to you. It is better for you to divide this nation. We are not a Nigerian and we can never be a Nigerian. Tinubu, I am. Message to you. It is better for you to divide this nation. We are not a Nigerian and we can never be a Nigerian. Tinubu, I am so much out with my men for you. And we will finish you up these days. Before God and man, anyhow you want it. If you like on with fighter jet, 200 fighter jets, if you like on with armor tankers, we will finish you off.
That is a message from Commander Gentle, the most favorite commander so far. You understand? Even though they are not, I don't know the problem. I don't know anything. But let me just past that. But let's continue. Let's continue. Now, let's go through this message. All right. So now Paraguay is trying to link us on this our brother. Please, can you hear me? What is the matter? Somebody say, what is the matter? You guys have made me to refresh my system, and all the things that I have here disappeared. So you said no sound, no sound. I have to refresh it because I don't know why everything was okay. Like from my end, I did not mute myself. My voice was coming out, and you said no sound. So I don't know from your end, but can you hear me now? Can somebody confirm? Because I can see yes, yes. I don't know if the yes is new yes or old yes. Olu State, let me hear from you. Olu State, please let me hear from you. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? We can hear you. Okay, you can hear me now. So let me start again. But just give me a moment. Let me bring out my materials again because I once I refresh it, all of them will disappear. So honestly, I don't know why you were not hearing my voice. Okay, it's coming out now. Okwandi Lodaro.
IDP camp Edo State. I want you to know that over here in this camp, they have more than 3,000 underprivileged children. I made a video the other day to tell you that we are in Edo State and we would love to feed so many children. Someone directed us to this camp. We came to make inquiry and they gave us opportunities for us to cook for their children. So we are finished cooking and this, look at the children here. They are much. I want to spend days with them. I want to cook for them every single day for at least 1 week. I would love you to send your contribution, any amounts of money that you have to support this mission. 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira, 3,000 naira, food items donation for us to be able to feed these children. We will really appreciate it. We are currently on a mission to feed 1 million children. And over here we have 3,000 children. You can wave your hands, everybody. Wave your hands. You can see the numbers. They are much. Don't play. They are much. 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 Please, any amount that you have to support us, 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira, 3,000 naira, it's not easy to feed these children. Before we feed them, 5 bags of rice is gone, 10 bags of rice is gone, 15 bags of rice is gone on daily basis. That is what the facility is passing through. So please, I would love you to support us. Thank you so much for all the love and the contribution you've shown towards our brand. God bless you and see you in our next video. Bye-bye.
Every media handle supposed to focus and spread the good news that Biafra is no longer a government in exile, that Biafra now is a nation, that the world should recognize that Biafra nation. Remember, once a nation is being declared from exile, it is no longer a government in exile. Every Lazar office automatically turned to embassy. This time that we had, this festival time, is a time to spread the news that Biafra is no longer a government in exile. Biafra now is a nation in Biafra land. So therefore, anybody still hanging on a platform of government in exile should exist from there. It is no longer government in exile because it has been declared. It is a nation, the United States of Biafra nation. We are here this evening to educate those of you who are ignorant about what you're supposed to do at this time. The distraction should stop. The confusion should end.
failing. If you think your name and history will be there, you have failed. We will take every negative thing out of Biafran history, so that when our children grow up, they will read history of good people. We will not take the evil ones with their identity, with anything they lay their evil hand. That will not follow us into Biafra land. That will not happen. We will get it right. Everything will be done right when the due time comes. Many times our Fulani herdsmen come on social media and be talking about their account, who manage it and who does. How many times have they come with this accountability of this and this and that? Biafrans, wake up. Not everything we do.
Okay. Before I will come back to this video, just let's complete. Let me finish what I was saying about this write-up from Sona Parawa. Okay. Now, Sona Parawa trying to lake us on Humble Lion because of his opinion. You see, Humble Lion, I don't know if what he said is true or not, but that's why it's always good for you to make sure that if you want to quote somebody, quote what that person said. If you want to quote somebody, make sure that you quote correctly. Don't just say something because you want to say it. And especially issue of money that like they pay you money, they don't pay you money. If you ask me whether they pay something about our money, I will say yes. But if you ask me, do you have evidence? I don't have evidence for that. So this is my own feeling. That does not mean that what I said is correct, or I'm trying to put allegation on him. But it is difficult for me to believe that Oginkere paid the Eggman money and did not send money to Sonny. That is difficult. That's in fact, that is not. I can't accept it. Do you understand? But like I said, does it mean that if you ask me to swear, I will not swear because I wasn't there. Okay, so if truly that what Humble Lion TV said here, if Chiamaka Jere said that, then you don't need to worry about what he said, what Sonny said here. So I hope Humble Lion have seen this tweet, because Sana Parawa is what he said here is not good though. What he said here is not good at all. Anyway, let me move away from that. Somebody said I should say something. Where is that person said? Namodi Basel said, Kai, please check my view about the military. My brother, which of view are you talking about? I don't understand. Okay, okay, I have seen that. He said, please, Kai, about the military, I think COS want to keep it low. Not that the cabinet is not doing something. In fact, they are doing something great that they want to keep out from public. What do you mean by keeping it low? I don't understand what do you mean by keeping it low? Keeping it low in terms of what? So keeping it low, are you saying that the COS is one? Maybe she told them not to go out and protect people, or I don't know. Please explain it more. Let me understand what it means, because keeping it low is different from when you said that you don't want it. You are doing something, but you don't want it to be out there in public. Okay. not exposing the activities. Low, he meant calm, secret action. No. I know what I'm saying, okay? I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying. I know just I know what I'm saying, please. Okay. Let's not go there. I don't you see, I don't spend much time on talking about it. So let us not. I know what I'm saying. And keeping it low is different from what? So please don't push me there. Leave it the way I put it there. Okay, for now, let government. They know what They know. I believe that if any of them, anyone in cabinet should know better. I'm not. I understand you, but I believe they are doing great. I'm not saying they're not doing great. What I'm saying is that now, see you later. So
many times have Fulani herdsmen come on social media and be talking about their account, who manage it and who does. How many times have they come with this accountability of this and this and that? Biafrans, wake up. Not everything we do
I put myself. What he said here is quite funny. That Fulani herdsmen are not asking for accountability. Why are you asking for accountability? Oh God. Fulani herdsmen are not asking for accountability. Why are you asking for accountability? but the thing is that oh God. Oh God. God, I beg you. God, I beg you. Let me hear that again.
How many times have Fulani herdsmen come on social media and be talking about their account, who manage it and who does? How many times have they come with this accountability of this and this and that? Biafrans, wake up. Not everything we do.
You guys should wake up. You guys should wake up. You guys should wake up. Learn from your colleague. My stomach go. Oh my goodness. These people. This man there. This is the only thing I miss from this guy. If he stop his press release. This is the only thing I will miss. Oh my goodness.
How many times have Fulani herdsmen come on social media and be talking about their account, who manage it and who does? How many times have they come with this accountability of this and this and that?
I wonder. What, you guys are very, very bad. You guys are, you don't see, can't you see how Fulani herdsmen are doing their own? You guys are here. Excuse me. Just a moment.
Wake up. Times have Fulani herdsmen come on social media and be talking about their account, who manage it and who does. How many times have they come with this accountability of this and this and that? Biafrans, wake up. No.
So Papa Smith, he said, Ogenkere is my man. The only man that makes me laugh. Okay, that's what I will miss. I will miss his activities, honestly. How many times have you seen? What do you put in English? How many times did you see? Let me hear that.
How many times have Fulani herdsmen come?
How many times have Fulani herdsmen called for accountability on social media? They have not, my dear. They have not. But also, we can also ask you, how many times have you seen Fulani people doing fundraising on social media? We can also ask that. You know that? I am not saying that people should ask accountable, for account like everything. And this is the first time they are actually officially demanding for accountability, apart from the one Megadiviso did. Sana Barawa and Eggman and all these criminals, they are the one that gang up trying to claim that COS and cabinet members demanding accountability from their ATM, which is a lie. We have said it here and we're gonna say it again. The only thing that was asked is for him to come and explain. You said there's no money in the account, and they find out there's money in the account. What is the money is all? What is money all about? What is it all about? That was the question. Not for you to come and give us, since when PM was here, how much entered the account, how much did you transfer, who received it, who, you know, that nobody asked that. But they're trying to on attempt to drag CS down, to discredit her. They have to create this kind of nonsense statement, or this kind of idea that, oh, COS is demanding for account. How dare you? What is your business? Why don't you ask PM? There is nothing like that. And Chief Priest of Kevadi knows this for the truth. Like I said yesterday, based on what Van and the Eggman, what he said about trying to exonerate himself, he exposed himself. All right? And I'm going to play this so that you understand what I'm talking about. This Eggman tried to do everything by telling you that COS has paid them also. That because all now he wants to tell their not Biafrans, their CRC Republic that look, me, Ogenkere and COS are the same. That this one will pay me money. There was a time this one will pay me money. So, but the you that is refusing receiving the money is, you are the innocent person here. Let's clap for you. Clap for Jesus. Clap for Jesus. So only you is innocent. This one paid you money. This one paid you money. That is an evidence that you are saboteur, receiving money for fun. That's what it means. Double identity. So double identity. Now listen.
The good thing that video brought, I will tell you. Honorable Fulani shared this video that I did yesterday. They don't believe in you. It is the Swallowful Republic of Animal Kingdom.
No way.
A powerful warrior against 100% back truth. The thing is that anyone that is not called for this freedom, you know what they do? They will never stand on the side of truth. They will see all the truth we talk about. They will have the boldness or the balls to stand on it. I am a one-man mobo. I am a powerful warrior against the enemies of Biafra. And I don't fear consequences of the devil. Devil cannot give me consequences. I deal with the devil and I give them upper court. I'm good at that. So, Fulani, you and your paymasters, go and if you know where you, I said in that video yesterday, if you know where you and go to UK, where una keep una towel, look una go carry out. Nigeria State, my foot. Every time you come, Nigeria State. If Nigeria is not your paymaster, what do you refer to Nigeria as Nigeria State? Has the Prime Minister ever referred to Nigeria as Nigeria State? Have not seen them ever refer to Nigeria as Nigeria State? It is the Swallowful Republic of Animal Kingdom. Zoo. That's what it is. No, but you would never call it zoo. It is your sister nation, Nigeria State, where you are taking your buffoons and your mukus. That's where you are taking them to. Dara. I know who I am. I know my father. I know the spirit with which I operate. And I'm not a shake. until you become Chineke, don't open your mouth and talk. No, it's not Pastor Van Bam. Who is this fool? It's not Pastor Van Bam. Nobody, including Van Bam. This one say, Pastor Van Bam, you cannot sabotage our PM and succeed. Not only me, nobody. Just like Ogetukwu Kerena tried to sabotage and did not succeed. Who doesn't try and did not succeed? Van, no matter how I try, I can never succeed. In fact, my own is that any day I try, that is the day I breathe my last. Any day I try and even attempt to sabotage Prime Minister, that day I will breathe my last. You know, I go to the extreme when I stand on the side of truth. If you are not a buffoon, ask your DPM or your APM, fake APM and fake DPM, ask them to come and stand where I stand and take a vow and swear. They don't take a vow and swear. Do you know what this APM have done? When I keep saying that, I should not open my mouth. He's my friend. We spoke at length. This man does not have any respect for our Prime Minister. No respect. He doesn't love him. He doesn't love him. Because there are some things that are being said. When it is being said, you don't really read meaning. But when events start unfolding, that's when you will be putting one and two together. You know, why did this man say this thing that time? Why did this man say, even if Prime Minister come out now, he cannot tell me what to do. He will not be able to, he will not lead us the way he did before. We will give him condition. When Prime Minister come, we are going to give him condition on what to do. He will not just do us anyhow again. You know, those things you hear, if you say, maybe he's trying to say we are going to advise our Prime Minister not to, because of the way he gave him so much privilege now, but they are taking advantage of all the, I can read those kind of meaning. I will not go deep. But now that these things are happening around him, I can now read full meaning that, so could this guy be telling me that when Prime Minister come, that we will not give him that chance again to take, we're going to set the lines for him and tell him what to do. He will not decide for us again like that. We will set this thing the way to be. No, my head come clear. My head come popcorn. You know what they call popcorn? Popcorn, they come off my head. I say, so this man, now your plan? God don't catch you. God don't catch you. Because I have some voice notes of some idiots in WhatsApp group. Some of those newsers, they only end up in WhatsApp group. They'll be sending voice to, hey, so all this is you're a bastard. Well, you're a moron. You're a moron. So if you know what I know, and maybe they approach you and give you what they gave me, you will not open your mouth. When this movement started, and when PM brought us together, the first person that came and gave every one of us money was Ngozi Rabufulani. And so Kamankwa and her husband insulted me because of that money. 2 times Ngozi gave us $175. Each of the media team, all, me, Agbara Wasoni, Gaddafi. Yes, these are the ones that me, Agbara Wasoni, Gaddafi, maybe I think 2 survivors. Those that were with us at that time. $175 each. We all appreciated it. But now these things are making sense. These are the 2 people. And Ogetukwu are the same 2 people that had issues with the past people that left. The one with the people we call accountability group. Why did we call them accountability group? You cannot compare the accountability we are talking about now with those useless fools, Kelechi and Pastor Emeka Livingstone, who were insulting the government, insulting the Prime Minister and all that because they say accountability. That time they were telling for accountability that was already in place because the PM was controlling everything. The PM was in charge. Things were going on fine. If the PM was here and things are going on normal the way government.
This guy is just very, very shameless. Very, very shameless human being. You receive money from left, right, and center. And you publicly, she paid me money. Paying you money on what purpose? Mas PM was here. She did not pay you money to dethrone government. Has she dethroned government? No. Did she run away? No. Has she caused chaos? No. Between PM and Biafrans? That says no. Did she drag anything with the PM? No. She pay you money. You know, these are the criminals that we have now. And because people may watch this and say, oh, so what you are accusing Ogenkere is what you have done it to. It's not the same. If, as I am now, if COS called me and said, Kai report, thank you so much for standing, to defend Biafra, for what you are saying, even that may Biafra though. I want to appreciate you. Like here, for example, this is a super chat. This is a super chat, right? If these people called me and said, Kai report, thank you so much. Give me your account. I want to bless you. I want to appreciate you. They get it. They are not the government. They don't oppose any threat to government. They did not ask me, okay, Kai report, how much will I give you so that you can say this for me? They are not the same. Listen. If this person, like this person that I show you now, is word of appreciation. Nah, I like you now. That kind of thing. It's not bribe, bro. It's not bribe. It's not for you to do something to favor do something that is wrong to favor me. COS gave you that money and just to help the government to boost you guys' morale, to stand with the government. That's what it means. Because what is her intention? It's not about giving money, but what is the intention of the money? She gave you money when PM is here, and she's still COS of the government. She used her own money, not the government money, give it to you, and you receive it. Then you are working with the government. Everything was moving fine, right? Moving smoothly. You are okay with it. Everybody was okay. And all of a sudden, you are now looking at it as if it's a taboo because you receive money from another person. And the person you receive money from doesn't mean good. He want to lead. He want to hijack. He want to dominate. Do you understand? So what is going on here? You want everybody to see CS as the way Ogekere is. That is the level of evil. How bad you are. I don't know who is this one. Who is this person? Please, who are you? Udoka Ovotulu. Osubirela. Meku Nagada here. Regilao. I don't know that you put the first comment. I kept quiet. Where is the other one? You said it here again. Una go explain tire. Offering time, confusion time. Who is this guy? Who are you? Here he said, Osubirela. Your message shows how you can reason, how poor your reason can be. What is Osubirela here? You can explain that. Explain that on what? I hate to manage senseless people. I don't like it. Tina said, now I understand that this non-entity don't know the meaning of sabotage. Not at all. You don't know that. And Solomon is here. Solomon said, Orabu Fulani Alimatua Abubakar is a big betrayer to Simon Ekpa, Njoko's Obatobe, God of our land, we disgrace her. Like I said, in fact, I'm going to invite you. Let me invite you. All this for back, all this, because you guys are no longer for back. You guys are CRC Republic people. Let me bring they follow Aisha Aisha, I don't know. Aisha, because her name is, I will start calling her Aisha. Ado Koko. Aisha Ado Koko. Which is now your prime minister. Okay? Kai Eggman is highly on Kolos. Of course, I know. Where is this senseless individual? In there, you could Google the Bulgari from left and right. You guys, this link is for you. I'm not gonna accept any other person for now until I finish my program. So this link, please, is meant for CRC Republic, Aisha Republic, Aisha people, all those Aisha citizens. You guys should follow this. Aisha, no, this is your all of you. I'm inviting specifically for these people. What is their name? Solomon Wankwo. Solomon Wankwo, this link is for you. And the other, where is the other if you live? Udoka Ovutelu. Udoka Ovutelu. It sounds like a Benin name. Two of you, I want to see you people here. Let us iron it out. That is Supileo. Come here, let us talk about it. Madam Origin decided to join. So please, I want you. I've not finished my program, okay, but I want you to come because get all the knock. Let get up there for a moment before we forge ahead.
Yes, so I have my contribution. Quick. I have today is full for me, Mr. Okay. Kai. No, that guy that saw Subrila is good though. I like that.
Which guy?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, your voice is not all that loud. Can you come close to your mic?
Oh, okay. Let me do this quickly. Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you now.
Oh, Biafra, I agree. So thank you so much. Today is one of my full days. So I want to do my own offering. I like the guy. I hope he meant well when he said Osubrila. Osubrila is a way of she said everybody gather here. You know, like it's hot here. I think that's what he's trying to say.
But what is hot? He said that you explain tire.
And now those people that the people they bring it to a head. I go explain to her offering time, confession time. I think he's trying to buttress on what you are showing, that this guy is explaining himself, trying to explain all the money he collected. He's confessing at the same time. That's my own. You know, everybody understands things differently. That's what I thought. That's my own line of thought for what he wrote.
Okay, yeah, I think you are right. I think you are right, and I cannot relate. He said it again. Shebi una say na ngozi or before abi. He make una leave me for us. I don't know.
We genuine Biafrans love her so much.
Love her. Okay, yeah. Okay, Udok, I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. Okay. Solomon, yes. Over to you. Let's hear from you. You said again, yeah, Solomon is here. Where's your own message? So Solomon said this. If Ngozi Fulani Arabatua Abubakar swear to Amadioha that she did not sabotage Mazi. So Solomon, if you said that you have three legs, this leg is for you. As a man, follow this link. Let us talk to you. Because if you're a man enough that have grown beards, you are a matured man, this link is for you. I dare you to come. Let's talk. Let us iron it out. Because some of you will hide, behind your keyboard and be ranting and talking out of points. Let us start with the name Ngozi Fulani. That makes you an evil man, and you don't have any right to talk about anybody being evil, being sabotaging, because that is the act of sabotage. Blackmailing somebody to make that person look dirty and evil in the eyes of everybody, for you to be elevated, for you to see yourself up there. So Solomon, or whatever you call yourself, because Solomon, they said that Solomon is a man of wisdom, right? So where's your own wisdom? You are not Solomon. Maybe you are Zacchaeus, or maybe you are Zacchaeus, even smart. You should be Judas. I was talking about. That's the name I was looking for. Judas. You are senseless. Judas that after get kidnapped or Jesus. Is Peter. From your Aisha, your PM now is Aisha. Some of you criticize about Tinubu is old to be a leader. Aisha is how many years? All of classmates in Tinubu behind. People have been asking Tinubu, where's your classmate? This is Aisha. Aisha is the same age mate. People that are going through actually because everybody want to grow old. But what I'm talking about is that you can't eat your cake and have it. So nobody believe. Udok, I have sent my apologies to you. I'm sorry about it, okay? Bribe can never be fraction like $175, but but it always come in block like 400, 500, 1,000. Oh my goodness. And this guy is here. You know, the reason why he said to say this, for you people to say, oh, you know, Ejemma is very transparent, so he can say this. That reminds us why he such as Ezenago said. Ezenago made it clear to us that she received $400 from the same man. You received $400. What happened? What happened? Now, anybody, if you want to follow the link and come, you can come now because I think people want to say something. I cannot kick my people out like that, please. Anybody, if you want to come, you can join us while we are going through the program though. Let's hear from the Eggman. No. Let me hear from Triple M because if I go now, when you call him again, he will be sleeping. My brother, mute your mic. Let's hear from you for the first time. Let us hear from you.
I am not sleeping. I am new one of my brother.
Let's hear from you because lately on about also
I say, okay, man, I'm going to pay for let him. My brother, my question first, I'm going Eggman. My question is this first. The Aisha Mariam Abubakar. I don't know who. I don't know who. Because I don't know who is not. Is an AKA. So my question is this, you know, I can see her, you know, making a broadcast, a press conference, this, that. I don't know. Please, so what position is it? Is she the new APM now? Or
is it what?
I don't know. Is she the new APM or their finance minister? Because the way these guys, I don't know these guys. So they don't even know how content is being run. Wait, this thing, finance minister coming out showing face always in government. What rights does finance minister have? You know, this thing, when this thing happen this way, you look at how he started pushing, showing his face everywhere before they even the shambolic stuff they did and planted him as an ATM. Yeah. When I look at it, I was like, in cabinet now, even when you talk of cabinet, after the prime minister and COS, is it APM that's supposed to come, as in finance? Because there are other positions that is more greater than finance. You know what is happening this way?
Amrobber can never ever break door of a poor person. Amrobber is looking for human body. You understand?
Anyway, that's the question I want to ask first. My Biafra people, I greet each and every one of us. I salute onye niile onye kwere ma ndị na-ekweghị mana nke ikpeazụ a onye na-ekweghị ga-ekwetara. If you don't agree, we will agree for you. No, never a dull moment. Maka na adị agbu osi ntị n'ahịa esu na. I
I'm
forgot I
telling
have
you.
a gada. One of our brothers say, Nayaga is around my idea when I can almost be Diana. So, my people, we must continue. They can never weigh us down. They can never weigh us down. Today is our day. Weekly referendum is today, and on a even in our platform now UK family, it's already raining there. Since how many days
Even,
now?
even
But today the rain is so anonymous. It's already raining.
I watch ma me o we obere program m ga-aga ga-echere n'isi ụtụtụ taa. Program ndị fallback.
you know, you know, you know we
Ọbọkwa Aisha group o. M na-ekwu
we
ndị nọ na pit. Ha fa na-ebe
okay.
akwa na Canada rep ha agbanarị, that is nne na nke a na-akpọ nke a kwuru na PM o. The PM o. Ife okwu ọsọ that woman na.
Even, as yeah, yes. You know, as it stands now, and when
And the UK rep also,
Tata group.
I jump upon Sola Aisha Republic.
Okay, elebo magana akwa Boniface, elebo.
What is that about Google Aisha Republic?
Boniface, let's see them now. I talked to Boniface. Even when this thing are happening, I called him. People that is controlling him there. You see, Lord, Ujumanya Rola, Mboblo Jiha, all Gamuno, they are Nakoji. And the other one, Anna, Bishop Comfort, Bob, Anya, the car, Eju Aurago. So, my father, they never see anything. Upon all the things, our PM is proud of our brother Boniface, but he just came and fucked himself up. Oh my goodness. Let me come back. I'm here, my brother. I'm with you. Today is Saturday. Would I hear?
Udode, one number. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Mr. Kai.
Yes, my
And
sister.
Mama Pios, I greet everyone. Omo Biafra, I greet everyone. We are here.
Hey.
Marathon. Are you there?
Yes, I am. Continue.
Okay. We have seen that this is a marathon, and some of us, so we have decided to be night watchers and day watchers. So, everybody, we have a nation to build. We already redeclared our nation, and we are working on restoration and recognition. A lot of things are going on at the same time. So, everybody stay focused, be in prayers, do your parts. Today is fundraising. Whatever you can give to push this government forward, please do it. I want to say something very quickly. You see, I'm beginning to, if you notice, I never talk about our military. I never do, because it's a place I rather leave it for the heads of defense to tell us. But today, while you are playing Commander Holy Ghost video, it just shocked me. It just dawned on me. But this man, if he is no more, if they find him, this man didn't. He has risen above all of them. He is now a hero, because what may have led them to eliminate him is his truth. Is this confession? Is the fact that he wanted to rescue and to let Biafrans know the truth. And please, I encourage you, keep playing this. Keep playing it for Biafrans to know that this man, if this is why they buy him, he didn't buy in vain. He died with the truth with him. He died speaking the truth. He died defending the truth. And there's nothing they can do. They can't silence his voice. Not while we are here. So, on the issue of currency ID, passports, I think this is part of the recognition part. There is a noise at the background.
Noise at background.
Okay.
Continue.
Okay. So these are all part of what needed to be done, and I believe that just like the ID part, I believe it will also that will also be within this time. There should be a passport coming up, because this is what part of recognition is, a package. So bringing it up and making sure maybe there is a printing contract on. It doesn't mean that they will now be printing the money all over, but it's just to make sure that if a question is asked point by point, what makes a nation? Yes, we now have a currency, we have our ID, we have our passport. You list them and they are there. They are there. So that's what I think that one is. On the issue of security again, you see, what calms my spirit is that the man that Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, his right-hand man in defense, is the one that is still right there. So I believe he's a wise man. I believe he is doing what it takes. And one thing that keeps me awake is the fact that these are our Woto brothers and men and they are men on ground, because that's what all these things they are doing is all about. They are trying to create confusion. They want to razzle how that is how they ate our money. They no go chop them again. No. Let them go to one corner and let our military do their work. They should stop inciting us. And they are looking for a way to nib our deputy prime minister. All of us, anya in a church red, if they don't know. Enough is enough. Let me see if there's anything else I want to say. And yes, the last but not the least. You see, I like the name that Ekene called them, the gangsters. Now it is obvious that we have Gangster 1 and Gangster 2, and their leaders, we know them. You see, the man that shouts, he knows why he shouts all the time, because he said it. One of the times they were talking, he said, according to Ega Kuroha. So if you see him coming to, flap and hyperventilate and scream, what is that his thing he was doing? What was he shouting when he was doing the egg thing? I believe they paid him to where he got dizzy. That's why he was shouting that's his egg thing. So they now it looked like the Aisha group paid him more. That's why he switched. There's nothing, there's nothing to hide about it, because his anger is that Ogenkere is paying the man that is not shouting loud enough, and he is the one shouting, and someone else is ready to pay him more, and the saga and the nonsense continues. I feel sorry for. Anyway, what is that thing they say? Or the call the osa, or the call the guru. Anyone you see there is the Odikodis, and we don't lack fools in Biafra land. We don't lack gullibles. We don't lack criminals. It's just that everything I say is you can't allow these people to come near our governance. They would destroy anything that is destroyable. So now that they have created the two groups, in fact, it's just like I'm stingy. I will have given them some money so to keep them away. Let them stay away from our government. We have a government to build. We need more money. Everybody do your part. God bless you all. See you at the fundraising site. God bless you all.
Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
Every media handle supposed to focus and spread the good news that Biafra is no longer a government in exile, that Biafra now is a nation, that the world should recognize that Biafra nation. Remember, once a nation is being declared from exile, it is no longer a government in exile. Every Lazar office automatically turned to embassy. This time that we had, this festival time, is a time to spread the news that Biafra is no longer a government in exile. Biafra now is a nation in Biafra land. So therefore, anybody still hanging on the platform of government in exile should exist from there. It is no longer government in exile because it has been declared. It is a nation, the United States of Biafra nation. We are here this evening to educate those of you who are ignorant about what you're supposed to do at this time. The distraction should stop. The confusion should end.
Right, Solomon, you are still committing nuisance, and your time will start counting from now to kick you out. That I allow everybody to come here and converse does not mean that you should come here and keep disturbing people. Please put yourself in chain. Stop this nonsense you are doing. If you don't have anything to say, stay away. I send the link for you to join us. Let us hear from you. You refused, but we cannot manage you. We cannot, keep on managing you on comment section. So that is all I can tell you for now. Ojugo, you are welcome. Please unmute your mic.
Okay, good morning. Good morning, everybody. And God bless each and every one of you. I will go straight to the point. When Mr. Kai, when you were introducing your platform, talking, you made a point about the security. My sister that just spoke last touched on it.
Yeah.
And I agreed with her 100%. That area, I know we all want it, like so far, but it's a very delicate part of a nation that require experts. And we thank God that the person heading that department is the retired military soldier in the United States. And it's the same person that headed Biafra Liberation Army and now Biafra soldiers. So it's the same person. I don't think they've changed. They changed that. And so I think they know what they're doing. And like I commented on the platform saying, there are different departments and every department are working. So this money print is the comments. I think is it agriculture or economic and commerce, something like that. They are showing us, their own part and what they're doing. So we need to celebrate every department. This security, yes, we know what's going on. They know what is going on because if you check the DPM platform S handle, she posts those videos and tag all those that need to be tagged on it. So it's not that they are not seeing what is going on, but they are smart. The people that are in that cabinet now are not like those white-haired and those regard faces now. They know what they're doing. The person heading that department know what they're doing. And you remember, is it either last week or last 2 weeks that the DPM came out and talked about police? And somebody now they have somebody that is is appointed now for the police department. So they're getting there. Their mind, they're focusing all around. This nation, I don't think we've celebrated 1 year birthday. And most of the kids during their first year birthday, most of them don't walk yet. They're still trying to stand, trying to make a first step. So, but these ones, they're very fast, like really fast. So, I would like say, let's leave it to these experts, and let them do what they know how to do best. So that's that side. And then coming to, I listened to a short clip that 247 posted. His speech that he made sometime January, about 4 point something million, not naira, dollars paid into, I think it's crypto account of our account, So who put in that money? How did that money come in? And I question US too, because I know in US here that I am, when you get certain amount of money in your account that is not usual to what you used to get, they will slow down. They will not credit that. They will make investigation. I'm not sure what happened. Could it be that it's a politician in Nigeria that does that? Because they send money out, all over the world, and they don't question them. They don't question them. So what happened? Why was that money not questioned? Could it be that is why, since things are exposing that ATM Ogenkere alias Isaiah Anyog was found in the bush? And I'm asking question, is he back or he's still in the bush? Because things are unfolding now. And if according to Van Van Van, that he was once what does he say? Yes, he was once somebody should remind me.
Ex-convict.
Ex-convict. Ex-convict. Yes. Could it be, because when you put all this together, because in US, if you're once convicted, your record is in a mess. Could it be why you went? The only thing that you could do, maybe here, is to walk like stocking, like maybe Walmart to go into their stocking, like stocking the goods, or maybe you start your own business. Could it be why he become a mechanic? Could it be why? This is all why. I'm trying to put the puzzles together that he ran for his dear life. Because for US, if you have been, if you've gone to prison, your record is so bad that you are on a red flag at that point. So any other thing, they will throw you back. My question is he their ATM back from the bush? I'm just trying to put these puzzles together that if somebody have the answer, say no. I'm trying to put all these things together. that, to figure out what is actually going on or what is going to happen in the future, because I haven't heard that he's back. The last time I saw him was inside the bush. And then, and being an ex-convict, why is he running? He sued somebody in the court. I hope he will appear in that court process, and the money paid into his account. It's just a little fraction from $5 million. And so you can see why people are getting paid $1,000. But that's a chicken change from $5 million. It's a chicken change. See, they are being cheated. So maybe these are their angers because Ugotu Fosun brought it out, So, and that's why this guy was refusing to give an account, because he doesn't want anybody to see that amount of money that got in there, in that account. So, when I'm saying that we're just sitting and looking at them, but I pity them and I pity their family. Because I went to Humble Lion, I just listened to what, is this. You could see how people were praying. Those that are Christian, praying in Christian, Ndamala praying in Amal, like swearing and praying and calling the spirit of the dead to revenge, to fight them. I pity them. I pity them. There is power in a spoken word. There is power. And we believe that is a mere word of mouth that God used to create this world. Me and you are in. You believe in it, I believe in it. So there is power. So I really pity them. And those we are also calling those who are still in the United States of Biafra cabinet members. If you have taken money from there, or he has given you money, make sure you reveal that to your head to know. Because as a Catholic, if you steal, you have to do restoration. If you need to return that money back, you figure out how that money will be returned back. But let the government know, and they will help. Because otherwise, all these causes are going to affect anybody that is involved, that have eaten this money, that made Oginkere to hold the military December, January, and our people could not celebrate their Christmas peacefully. So, any soul lost at that point, you are involved. So, clear yourself. Open up to the head department. Let them figure out how you're going to do restoration. We don't need to know. We don't need to know. Talk to your government. You have to do restoration of that money to free yourself and free your family. There are causes everywhere. As I am every morning, I said it every morning, I always, because I believe in spirit, I call on the spirit of my dead relative, my father. That's how I pray. After God, it's them that know me. And the same way I pray, calling all those who have died in the course of this Biafra. They will not rest. That's my prayer. They will not rest until they revenge, until the end of this Biafra curse. That's when they will rest. And anybody calling Dr. Ngozi or Rabeze gave you money, please, disease from it. Disease totally from it. You guys did well, performed well when you went to Finland. And in gratitude, they say, take this from her pocket. And you are lying on top of it with already crime you already committed. Stay away from an innocent spirit. That spirit of that person will hunt you down. Stay away. Stop messing things up. So, with that being said, Pikun, today is our special day. Let's all gather there because now everything is open. Everything, you will not say you don't know where you belong now. Now you know. So remember, whatever you sow is what you're going to reap. You can't say sow tomato and then you're looking for pepper. No. Talk to yourself and make a good decision of yourself and your family. Do not bring curse upon people, upon children, upon people that do not know anything because of your selfishness, because of your jealousy, because of your hatred. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate. Thank you. Okay. I appreciate. Thank you so much. So please, before I will give mic to another people, let me quickly respond to this guy, Solomon. I purposely keep on bringing your message out. You know why? I know you love it. That's why you keep on putting more messages. But here we don't support. We are not here for mad people. If you are mad, you look for your money. They will help you out. Here is not where we don't treat mad people here. I don't know who you are, and I don't care to know who you are. I told you before that I'm counting on your messages. You should just keep on say it as long as you want to say it before we send you to where you belong. You keep on judging yourself. If you a man, matured man, and you're proud of yourself, you know what you're saying. Simple thing to do. Come here and educate us. You don't want. But you keep on distracting people that have listened to us. I won't take it from you. I've warned you many times, and I know why I keep on saying you should come, because that is when we can hear your voice. I don't want you hiding with the Solomon account. I don't want to see her hiding with Solomon account. All of you, if you can type, you have time to type, but you don't have time to talk. Simply means your voice is well-known voice. You must be one of those people, those senseless people that are trying to distract people. Tomorrow you are let me remind you how you started. Okay. You started with IPOB. All right? Then you move to IPOB to DOS. That's how money goes. Then you move from that, join autopilot. Biafran government in exile. Then fall back. From fall back now, you are now in a CRC Republic. aka I don't know who group, which is Aisha Ono group. And you are here trying to tell us how Oginkiri is a criminal and the CS is a criminal. Then who are you? Who are you then? You are talking to children, isn't it? I'm not here to nonsensical people. I'm not here to massage you. If you don't have anything to say, please get away. I keep on warning you. I'm not going to block you because to handle you now is to kick you out from the channel. Not even to. I can restrict you from commenting. Then you keep on watching. But I'm going to ban you. Okay. Any of you that if you have any brain cells in your Akami no brain, you should know by now that all of you that follow the Ogekere this while talking about Ogekere that makes you look so stupid. That's why I look at this one on the screen now. I laugh. You follow the Ogekere all this while, and now you want to tell me how bad Ogekere is. He's a criminal. So you just realize that he is, meaning that you are what? If I'm in your position, if I'm in your group, God forbid, I cannot be as stupid as you guys. But if anybody that is your group is being found criticizing Ogekere now, you are an idiot. You don't do that because that makes you look so stupid though, because you have been with him for ages. You never know CS. What do you know about CS? Let me ask you. What do you know about her? Who now full time? Quack and his name now think like somebody in the brain. You can't reason. You don't want to reason. You know, you are here telling them, who are you to educate us who is a criminal? You are the one. If you're supposed to be in dictionary example, like after definition of criminality, they should put e.g. Solomon Wanko. Sorry for other Solomon Wanko, because I know you are not the only one that answers Solomon Wanko, but I'm talking about you here on the comment section. You are a criminal, judging by your actions so far. By this time last 2 weeks, you are saying, okay, you guys should fall back. You push your fall. PM will say you should fall back. All of you that say that PM message to fall back, where are you now? I don't know who hand back. Oh, following you guys, all the men, we don't have men anymore. You guys are following women. How can you be listening to women? Are you not a man? I don't go. Aisha know who is who now. She's the one dictating for you. And look at this one. That used to come with criminals, all these criminals, but you are receiving money as a criminal person. Now he want to tell us all this why he did not reveal to anybody that CS paid him money. Now the CS pay you money. So I saw what? Just like the other Opananke $400. Okay, can get on that money now. Oh, you know, she wanted to bribe you on what? What do you have an bribe? Okay, what can you offer? See how people reason. You had nobody, you are down to the earth. Like you are there under the foot. You know, or what do you have? Do you know what is bribery and corruption? If you want to bribe somebody, you have to, that means you have to get something from that person. What are we going to get from you? COS. Forget the name Biafra. Forget about Biafra. That she's now talking about Biafra. All of a sudden, she's not a criminal. Oh, she's a People's Club of Nigeria. That reminds me. Do you know that now they're criticizing Ruben Nadi? Fallback group is now calling Ruben Nadi, who is now with Adonoko Sports. In Aisha, oh no, in her post. That one, they're not calling her. That look at you, you're a member of People's Club. 3 months ago, 2 months ago, we used to hear, oh, the People's Club of Nigeria. But your comrade, your honorable, in your group, as the time you are making this criticism, is still in the People's Club of Nigeria. You are against. But you come out and this one is the People's Club of Nigeria. If it's Kodia Canon, that is there, People's Club of Nigeria. But this one is also People's Club of Nigeria. That means the issue is not about People's Club. The issue is about who is stopping my criminality. It's not about People's Club, but they want to deceive you, because I personally hate it when somebody wants to play on my intelligence. That's one thing I hate so much. Okay, and that brings me to what our sister just finished. Now she talked about the security that I mentioned at the beginning. Honestly, there's many things to talk about it. I don't want to go deeper on that, and nobody will push me to do it. You see, the way I put it, that's why no matter the analysis that anybody wants to analyze, I believe that those who are in charge know what I'm talking about better than me and you. Because after 10th of May, we have not seen the activities of for a Biafra Liberation Army. Do you understand what I'm talking about? They know what I'm talking about. I'm not saying printing money is a taboo, is a haram. No, that's not what I'm saying. It's a welcome development. It's a good idea. I am in support of it 100%. What I'm trying to say is this: if you just like that's what is called the scale of preference. If you want to buy 3 items and your money is not enough to buy 3 of them at a go, you have to consider which of them is more important at this point in time. That is where you should go. That one, you have to go for that one first. Deal with it. And if you're not good at that, allow people that are good at it to do it. I'm just giving a general example. I'm not saying CS don't know what to do about it, because I'm not an insider. I don't know how the going is going there. You understand? So don't, because I know some of them will say, "Oh, you said that CS don't know about it. Why don't you?" I'm not saying that she don't know about it.
Let me say something. Sorry.
Comment. Okay.
Let me add something, my brother.
Kai, give us mic. Oh, give us mic. We not get time.
Okay, please, Airway, please. I'm sorry, because this is the first time you are joining me. Let me hear from you first before we go to Ocean Master. Ocean Master, you are one of us here. This is our brother just joined us for the first time. Let's hear from him. Airway, please, right on.
Thank you, my brother. Kai, you don't read. Yeah, my first time joining the platform like this. Oh, brave from Indonesia.
Sorry?
He must not. Oh, brave
Brave.
from Indonesia. You know, I come in different ways.
Okay. You change the account, my brother.
Yeah. I always come in different ways.
Please add speak louder so that your voice will come out properly because people are struggling. Your voice is not all that louder. You can help us on that. Thank you.
Oh, sorry, my brother. Am I coming out clear now?
Yeah, it's better off.
Okay, my brother. Thank you. What I want to contribute on the things you brought out. You know, at the first time you talked about security aspect of our land. My brother, you know, him and I before. Anyway, security something is a very sensitive issue. You know, I won't hear the theater opening anyhow. Actually,
Okay, sorry.
but
Do you want to hold on? Do you want to talk about security or another? If you're saying security, please don't go there. Let's forget about. I don't want to talk about this
no,
security
no, no,
issue
no,
again.
no, no.
Okay, please.
I just want to, I just want to say one or two things. I want
No,
to
please
not deep about it.
swallow it. Swallow it. Focus on another thing for now, please.
Okay, my brother. Okay, my
Mm.
brother. I will do it. Another thing itinye ọnụ ihe gbasakwa that our money DPM or show it out. Ịma na nwere one thing about ndị be anyị kwesịrị ime ọfụma. Ndị be anyị na-asị na ọ na-adị mma atụpụ nkịta akụrụ egosi ya na ka ọ ghara dịkatụrụ ya mbụ.
Yeah.
Our people they believe on what they see. And for you to make them understand that yes, you are doing that thing in the Eku, you have to show them the sign for them to understand that yes, you are doing what you said. And that is exactly what plays out. People and I can hardly convince now what you are saying, you are doing it. Oh, yeah. So that is the reason why I believe our seriously work for that particular money to show our people that yes, it is done and dusted. So now talking about all this fallback and then they have fallen on a toilet, they have fallen on a lagoon. You know, those people, we have known them right from time. In this issue of a Biafra quest, anybody seen an Ochroka and may advise or Goya the right way to stand on your common sense. Because Biafra issue is like light. Anywhere the Biafra spirit, no. You need the money to say this is where it is. Right from Mazin Nandekan. When they hold Mazin Nandekan, upon everything the DOS we saw everything that plays out. Our PM come out. People saw the light in him. Despite even apart from Mazin Nandekan saying that people should follow Simon Eba, he's bringing a new dimension. Apart from that, we saw the truth in him, and that's why everybody followed him. Now they're holding our prime minister now. What about the surrogates? People follow Dr. Ngozo Reveze because they see that yes, she's the one that are in the right position, and everything she's saying is truth. People saw the truth in her. That's why everyone follows her. So all these people ganging up, thinking that they can hijack the movement and do it the way they like. It's not the difference of these days. Oh, that time, ana those guys Clifford Givanya, Imam Bezu had barrister and them, and I didn't see very mother. Feeling not by Ichina Samuru had them, feeling not by shouting. All this shouting, or being here for, I don't know, they are not shout. Feeling not by ordinary own signature and account, or him looking for that shout. Old Haggard woman Gaga zero, where you can, number how many times are up for them. But she don't know that all these things now may happen now. Or feeling no. Yeah, I guess I got in wine. People get eager to I got in wine name with sense and that's what she think that people respect her. Man, I found out this what you know very much again that foolish woman. Because that fans sending at this point we don't send anybody. Anybody who thrown here to be useless, a useless player in media, and she come out to become useless. And what this sort of again with it. You don't know man. But you know if you much happen shout so it's people or you see now I get yeah. And in those what them the buy now my all this nonsense. Half for 30th of May. You know him 30th of May, ego see in the buy may have more sense. That means in the they will never have sense again. People in Atore Goji, men on ground, made deceive who has sins. Now, target of men, they didn't show you anything that should have the money you are selling to them are going to their prophet quarter. That means they're eating the money. Now, one come out and let them understand that they are paying them. Even the young one, and acquire $1,000. And these people are willing to still give their money to be paying those fools. I can't tell anybody to how to use your money or something like that. Dear friends, if you want to, you're going to make your money. You can eat your money the way you want it. So if you think that you are so useless that you don't know what to do with your money, go and give it to them. They should keep on sharing it to themselves. This is what you want. But as for Biafra, the majority where they are, the majority are in USB. That's the real majority is, and they are doing the needful to make sure that we go home. So now I urge all the Biafrans now, fundraising, you have to do the needful. Follow the right path. USB is the right path. And only need to hear American advice before you know the right thing. If you go there, that's only careful along at it. Good and fine. You go and follow them to the good and fine. It's for you, it's your money. Go and use that your money at last. You are the one to regret it. Because you are the one pushing them to do those evil that they are doing. Because the more you give them that money, the more they have mind to do more, to make sure that therefore didn't come. That is the money you are giving them for. When they get one, they have already sold their soul right from time. They have the and when he get have anything good in you, and when he get they see anything good in you. It doesn't matter if you like it. Even all this is that all no effort for USB, no matter how you do it. That's why sometimes when some of them come to the media, maybe you try to enlighten them. Sometimes I smile because I know they will never change. They can never change because the evil in them with their mindset can never make them believe whatever you say. So even if it's not as if they don't know. They know the truth, but they know the reason why they can never accept it because why? They don't want their to come. This is their source of income. This Biafra is the source of income. How they make their money. Many of them, this is how they make their money. This is our people that don't know what is going on. So my brother, this is the little I just want to throw out there, my brother. So I have to stay aside for now. Don't really watching it.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my brother. I really appreciate your time. Let's hear from Ocean Master.
Thank you, Mazikai. Thank you, the people in the studio. Thank you, Jenny Biafrans all over the world. I bring greetings to you from my end, and I say greetings to you according by your time zone. Though I come in late, but it is obvious what is going on the social media. I listened to our sister while she was talking. She said a lot of things, and she included there was 4 million Bitcoin value thereabout. I don't know exactly. That was a transfer some time ago, and Mazubi 247 exposed that. Then you connect it to what is going on today. We had people on social media. We had what is his name? Van Chiamaka Jere boasted how they have been paid a number of times to the extent that he get $1,000. Sometimes each time he was paid, he paid $1,000, $400, $500, and it goes around to the big media team. Fellow dear friends, if this media team of big are paying such amount of money on monthly basis, or as we can see them, especially Van who stood Biafra Unite, that if you have a problem, instead of you selling your channel, that you should talk to APM. Ogenkere, that is a problem solver. He will solve your problem. Please, Biafrans, we connect all those dots and know what is going on. The money that I and you, our hard-earned money that we're laboring for day and night, contributing, donating, supporting this person use that money to buy his way in the brigade. This person used this money instead of getting it where it's supposed to give, taking it to the defense quarters in Biafran land. He take that money for his own personal use and personal gain. And each time he has time to talk, he will come out and say that Biafra Post don't have money, that he's using his own money to Biafran Post. It is incredible, Biafrans, that today the same man have been exposed in many forms. I remember during the time of 29th November 2024, he was asked to bring in money from the post to complete for the payment of the hall where the redeclaration was done. This person, Ogenkere, said there is no money in the post. Just for the cabinet to ask the second signatory to the account to check in what is there. And when she had a glance over there and take a screenshot or what do you call it, photocopy, and it turns out that there's amount of money in that purse, which is almost 67, 68 or $70,000. Now, dear friends, we have seen how this person, how this group of fallback, this cultic group are using us. No wonder somebody said it, I think it was DPM or somebody else who said it, that after the fundraising, as we, the Biafrans, we go to bed within a couple of minutes, I don't know who Adokoko will just immediately transfer the money to Ogenkere. What does that tell you? The vultures. The money that we suffered for. Look at the way they are doing it. And today, all of them in that fallback, know their background or their biography from IPOB Nigeria or DOSs. We have seen how they have gathered and trying to see an opportunity to destroy the cabinet or destroy USB. But God and us have made it impossible for them, and so it shall remain that impossible. Today we listen of how they share blood money, how they eat the blood money. What a world is an incredible. Dear friends, it is time. It is a day again that we have to prove ourselves. We have to prove ourselves because we have chosen these days, Saturdays, every week to make it a referendum day in our midst, in this new nation declared. We do the referendum by bringing in our supports, by bringing in our donations, by bringing in our funds to fund our liberations and our reformations. So this is the day it have come. Since these people, they have bring themselves out, they have exposed themselves, we all know one thing, that these people, they are in for game, they are not for a serious business. And they have split themselves into two again. Our brother said here that whoever said that he doesn't know where he is standing, that person is not telling himself truth. That means that person is economical with the truth. You have seen it with open hand, because truth is like an open hand. You look at it, you see everything. Today, Dr. Ngozo Rabeze unveiled our money, Biafra money. For me, it is a good news, and it's a new development, which I applaud. And our brother talk about security. Mazikai, I love the way you handle it. We are not in position. Sorry for the noise coming from the background, please. We are not in the position to discuss about the security. The cabinets know what they are doing on the security side. And the security in Biafra land is tight. They are doing their best with the little resources they have. The securities, they are doing their best. We applaud them. It is not easy. We see how this fall back, what the mess they have created, making this journey a very mockery one, removing people, the people that matters, that support this journey and this movement. But thank God that no matter what, we keep on pushing. With that pushes, with these things we drop every Saturday, it goes a long way. So Biafrans, this is a referendum day again. Let us come out and mass and prove ourselves. Like me, like yourself, and every other person. Not only that, we don't stop there. I will call my neighbor, you call your neighbor, you call the people, preach it to the people, even non-Biafran citizens. Some people love to support us. Yes, you can do it because we need to go home completely. Dear friends, I thank you once more because of where I am. I have said much, but I will not continue to say again. I may come back if time permit me. Thank you, Mazakai Report. I yield my mic for now.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you, my brother. Thank you, thank you. You have said it all. The only thing I want to add to that is that this fallback you are talking about, they know what they want, and from day one, they already know they're here for sabotage, and they're working towards that. But everybody has seen that, and we know that. Ejemma Biafra, thank you so much, my sister. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your work. We do, follow you guys on X. So that's all I can say about it. Thank you. Solomon Wankwo.
I think that is EJ Glitters. EJ Glitters, I greet you. Thank you for your write-up here.
Is that DJ Glitters?
I believe it's she. I believe it's she. Looking at the picture, I know she's EJ Glitters. I think so.
Why can't they connect with you, Fakona? My sister, you're welcome. You're welcome. This guy, you actually expose yourself here. That I don't want to bring you back again, but since you said this, let me. You're actually making a very good exposition against yourself. You said, where's that message? A high rank the police. Where is that? Well, because they have said a lot of things here. There's one you said about police. The high rank police officer told you that Ngozi Rabeze, according to you, how you put it, is working with the DOS, and yet you say you are man on ground. Although you are not Biafra Liberation Army, are you? Because you say men on ground is different from Biafra Liberation Army. So if you are men on ground, I can relate. They can tell you anything because that's what you want to hear. But for you to be maybe Biafra Liberation Army and you are in contact with the high rank police officer in Nigeria, and yet you want to expose somebody, you get as a bill. That one not too pure, you understand? So I'm looking for that your message. Did you delete it or something like that? I've been looking for it because of the message of this our sister. I have to push that your comment away. But since you are here again, let me see if I can locate it. You people said no, not this one, not this one. How many of you saw that message? Okay, finally is here. It said, Kai report, a high-rank police officer in Nigeria told me that Ngozi Rabeze is working with DOS. She cannot deny it. Now, my brother, and you said you are, because I also have a comment of you saying that you are one of the people, that you guys will leave the border and they shift the border, I don't know, so that people will see what you guys are doing. I'm not here to talk down on any security officer. No, not at all. I'm not here for that. I'm not here to talk about security. I only just encourage cabinet members to do what I feel that is good. I'm not mandating or commanding anybody. I'm not seer. Do you understand? Seer, only seer have the mandate to do that. Not I don't have the mandate to command and control. My own is to talk. My own is to talk and to make sure that I will not deceive anybody, because my own is to tell you what I know and what I think is right to do. Then I will end it by telling you to go there and do what you think that is good for you. You can make a choice for yourself, so that tomorrow you will not come back to me and say that I push you. All right? Like today is fundraising. We already know what that means. If you think that you don't know, no problem. Some of you will end up paying ransom, and then you compare it with fundraising, then you know. Have you seen anybody that paid 500,000 as a ransom? What's going to happen on the vigilante kidnap? Even Udo Gachi Soludo, if they catch you, you will not pay 500,000 alone. No. If they bring you to their own hideout, you will pay millions. So you understand? But some of us that is, you living abroad, you don't know what paying ransom means until then once they call you to bring your own quotes, bring your own contribution, then you know that when people talk about kidnapping and paying ransom in Nigeria, that it's not funny. It's not funny. And you doing what you can do to help you to bring a hand together to protect the land is the cheapest and easiest. They said Igbo people are very good at in business, right? So this is also a business strategy. Do you prefer to pay 30 million or 15 million, 20 million, as the case may be? Sometimes you pay it, they also need your body parts to make the money, because you pay the naira to convert it to dollar. They have to buy you and sell your body parts. So which of them is much cheaper and more okay? Think about it. Because there's a video that we played here yesterday, later our broadcast. In fact, I played it here today when we started. And let me play it again before we move forward. Because some of us don't understand what it means to protect yourself ahead of time. Somebody said that Pastor Rose is against denying USB or gospel advisory. I don't know who made that comment before. Please, some of you are selling
We don't really care who is against and who is not against. We're moving forward. We don't care.
But
Pastor Rose is only one person.
Did the Pastor Rose say something strange?
She didn't say anything. They're just carrying propaganda going around, trying to hear from Pastor Rose. So
these are criminals. That's what they do, because Pastor Rose, she don't attack government when people expected her to do. Is it now that she's I celebrated her here on this platform, and we still celebrate her more, because that's why we started by debunking the nonsense. They're saying that she's a propagandist that went to Finland and all that. So coming from Masquerade, Biafra Disunite, and get it right just nearby Dandoch, talking rubbish. If you say that she's a propagandist, prove it. So she's going to Finland and dragging PM tie and a suit. It's not the propaganda. It's not the way. It's not the propaganda. Talking about Tucci that never talked to anybody. It's not the propaganda. But you hide your face. You're talking on who? I don't blame him.
Yeah. Kai, let me just say something. I've been hearing this thing as a kind of a rumor. Why are they dragging Pastor Rose? Okay.
Because Pastor Rose went to Finland and delivered this message on your screen now. Listen.
On here, our Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the Odogu one of Biafra.
This is just few days ago. She was there in Finland reporting.
Is it not that they quash all the things against our PM?
That is the day, man. That is the day.
Now, why are they dragging her? Whereas them themselves that went to Finland during their own, they only just go there to take a picture without any information, without any update. Then someone
My
went
brother,
and brought up this. It
you know,
becomes
if you know me, you know that I hardly call people names, like giving them names. That what I feel.
you know,
If you know,
my
but
brother, you know,
for me to open my listen, for me to open my mouth
yes,
and tell you, Biafra Unite is Biafra Unite is have a questionable character. I know what I'm saying. I'm not here to paint anybody by, but let us be honest.
Kai, there is something you need to understand in this particular course we are into. When you ask of Biafra Unite, or as we are baptizing Biafra is Unite, because that is exactly what he is. He is here to, read the charter to overthrow Oge, but they just do it on their own. That is
What is
interpretation. When you talk of that guy,
you know, I forgot that issue of the shatter. You just reminded me of that one now. That is the guy that read shatter, isn't it?
that is it. Now he read
How
charter
criminal.
to justify what Okengwe did. Now they don't want to read charter again, to disqualify him. Now come to think of it, my brother Kai, you ask yourself, let us ask ourselves question: who is Biafra Unite or Ada Unite? There is something we see now. If you have not been following our leader Martin Nanikano, and throughout the time our leader Martin Nanikano was kidnapped, our PM took over. If you have not followed that trend to this stage, ilu my father na atụ ọsụ onye na-amaghị ebe mmiri bidoro mama ya ọ ga-ama ebe ọ ga-akwụsị. This same Biafra Unite spoke against our PM. Just look at them. Lewe ha Biafra Unite Akparawa o.
My brother, how can he unite Biafra hiding his face?
Now,
Biafra Unite. What are you uniting? You are uniting by telling us that COS is working with a Bago to buy, trying to buy Gentle. What kind of nonsense statement is that?
Listen, you need to understand. That guy has a mission. If PM will ask him to unveil himself to PM, he refused. Then what do you think?
My brother,
he couldn't review himself to PM. Is it we? Then if you believe in what PM is doing when he was there, and you are still hiding yourself, and you think that you work with him, my brother, he was an agent. For you to be hiding yourself, you see, you trust him, you believe in him, you praise him, you worship him. It's just like our leader Martin Nanikano. Do you think that he will work with you without even him knowing who you are? Show your face to him. This will tell you, anybody follow. I was once supporting him because when he turned his way back, started supporting our PM, I was following him. But that day he read that charter, that day I locked up. He started when he said that when he was about to discredit our DPM. He said when this thing was happening, I called these two parties. I called Ogenkere. I called Ngozi or Abeze. Let them talk and know how to resolve this issue. He said, look at the response of Oge, because that one is working with him, it suits him. Then he came back to the one of our DPM and said that our DPM, her reply was, he should not send him that kind of rubbish message before. But he never told us what message he sent to her. It was Mazugo that unveiled that message, the useless message he sent to our DPM that made her to reply that thing. But he used it to justify himself. You see that guy? Well, people, he should keep hiding under the carpet. People that knew him know him.
The reason why I'm actually highlighting on his faceless identity is that he don't have any rights. He might have right. He don't have what it takes to kill anybody.
Can I report?
Yes, my brother.
Imana, Biafra Unite. Somebody, a faceless human being.
Don't go out again. Wait, we are coming for you.
How can a faceless human being want to say that he called the Dr. Ngozo Rabeze and Dr. Gere to make peace? A faceless human being. When they get followers in their platform, they think Nehembe arrive. They think now they are on top and do whatever they want. Yeah, I'm trying to hear some of them. Biafra Unite once fought our prime minister when they are doing this. Is it Idu or something like that? They fought for Idu. Biafra Unite so they fight for Idu. to back up Dr. Nelly. Oh, how on now? They fought our prime minister that time. And when you beach in a Biafra Unite and the bam bam bam, yeah, had a memo, Hannah stand at a chance. Anytime after mistake, they jump in to help scatter everything. Then half on a yeah, if you that he lose will followers, they now change their pattern. Yeah, I hear from the Biafra United Jimmy follow our prime minister. And we like our prime minister for one day. We like our prime minister for one day. Because what you remember, even that time, say, and the names of the people in the cabinet, you know, man, affair, no, dear. A man, affair, na media until you have a bullet attack. Before we are not affair, no, the media, or the go late, or proper chat already. And all go far. There is no way he can come back again. Or him to continue like that. All of them, power toss, all of them want to, they need for them to be on top. And how can you be on top? Nobody know you. You're faceless. A faceless human being want to come and control people. How can you? You want to tell people everything and people will obey you. As who? Why you should not be born, that's at the time. None must not come in front. None can feel you and those are hide the chat. You will see somebody who stay inside his room. Bully phone, bully Biafra, common sense, na bamba. You should not bad nada. At the end of the day, every person when a baby, you are. I can know that's same level. I can now. How many people got to go those levels? Now they play the show. You're blaming them. Kind of fair. Who's the rubbish in the hand before? Ndị beribe na-agaghị na ha ga na-esu USD now ha na-agba ọsọ indirect way ha na-agba ọsọ ga-change account na-eme nonsense ha na-eme ụzọ ihe na ha oge nkiri n'isi ọsọ ka ha ifuru ha na-agbanye ya because they know that account ahụ oge nkiri na-use ezigbo ego bara na account ahụ from Nigeria government they know and ha ma na ebe ikpe a ting ga-emecha turn against them and banks ga ha ga-abịa ịzụ ụgba ihe gbasara ego batara na account ahụ onye ifuru ha na-eji agbọsọ na-asụ ka ha ghara oge nkiri ebizi izi ya ichere ndị amaghị ha na-eme these people feel ha dị too smart. They should go and continue that soon. They should go and continue it. And the trust never start account and trust they go in the account to bank account and guys over here. Man case ya wa dan dojo. Ya no ne people na bongo do rabe terrorist bonka. Ofili ni na ona kwadiga recorded. On a very good dog as over here.
My brother, thank you. Let us hold your mic there. Let's hear from IJ because
okay, my brother.
I want to go again. Please unmute your mic,
my brother.
Okay. Thank you. I greet everyone. Kai reports. May God continue to bless you and give you more wisdom to follow what you're doing. I thank you so much for your contributions. All Biafrans, I thank you. Those who are endowed with natural wisdom, those are the only ones that can stand the test of time. Like my brother rightly said, the season and time has changed. That's my contribution. The season and time has changed. You see, it's like we are running a race. And at the first time, you'll be running with all your might. You want to outrun every other person. And at a particular time, you will kind of be getting tired, but you keep running because you want to maintain that first position until you get to the end. That is where we are now. You see, majority of us do not understand what we are doing. Let me just put it that way. If we can cast our minds back to what our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, has been saying. Nnamdi Kanu said that there are people born. I always stress on that because if you are not born for this race, there's no way you can fit in. No. We must be telling ourselves the truth. I heard some of us say, hey, Pastor Rose, like the one in Siosha, they will always find out who is dropping and then hold on to that because they're already fallen angel. So they want to hold on to something for their final and then distract those people who are, focused and doing what they're doing. Dr. Agi resigned. Dr. Agi has left them. That became a topic for them. you have to follow the trend and don't be distracted. Atanisi onwea negu elugo na nripụ anya o onye nwere ife ọ ya abịa anya bụ ya because no elu negu nripụ anya onwazikwa anya ya ama onye bụ onye ịma ife ya abọ m kịta abọwa m ogu nripụ anya is where we are now. We have to imagine no every wisdom for this purpose of liberation. Weputia nya and then I say anya we chief na weputia kita. This is the hour. That's Pastor Roso Mekwalinkao Omeronkozo. That is the bunkum. Remain focused. Remain focused. You don't look at anybody. That is my point. Do not look at anybody. Only know what you are doing and what you can do more. That is what is needed now. Because what? Ebanye abrozi. Imane during the time initially where like somebody pointed out when Simon bidolunkie now. Within the idu na ihena aga hapolo onwele anya sili oh wajikwa wepo nwere anya sili wajikwa wepo because what wow se walo nwefa gawalo nwefa egu continue because we were focused abia buluza kita egu continue for Peter say happy to if ever end the journey continue. So now it is the same. Kita go all the tougher because you don't know who is who, you don't know who you know whoever has in mind. Like we have seen now. Initially, when we started the fallback republic, when how we're confused when they have confused what we before don't never because they can no longer fear, because of shame, because of all these things are not needed if you are really dedicated and you are made to fight for this freedom. Like if this freedom is in you, in your heart burning, there is nothing like shame. The only thing that will propel you to the next level is that truth in you, is that determination in you, is that conviction in you that you are one of them to achieve this. That's just it. Not what any other person is doing. It doesn't matter to you. It doesn't matter. There some don't reach to the end of the race. Some fall on the way. Yeah, it's natural. We pray that everybody continue. That is why I'm making this, that, to encourage us. But then if you are not fit, you cannot, there's nothing anybody can do to help you. It means that you are not one of them. You don't force yourself into it. That is just the simple truth. So Biafrans, let us not always be distracted by these people. We will continue to debunk them, to show them the way, and see if they can ever repent. Because I believe that they will repent. I pray for them to repent. But just imagine, has Satan repented? When Satan repents, now then the world will be a better place for everybody. So, my dear brothers and sisters, let us be wise. Mulana Kazu. Do not look at anybody. That is the point of my message today. Do not look at anybody, not even your mother, not your father. You are born for this purpose, so you are born. Do whatever God puts into you to do to achieve what we are doing. Thank you so much. I'll continue to, listen.
Thank you so much. Thank you, God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Ocean Master, have you made your comment or because I think you're back. Wimbon, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Wimbon? Yeah, almost your mic.
Yes, boss. Good afternoon, sir. And how are you doing, sir?
I'm doing good, and you?
I'm fine. I'm grateful to God. My first time coming to your platform.
Yeah,
I hope I am in the right.
Is that
Okay.
okay? Is that okay?
This is okay. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Nam. Okay, Nam. You are welcome, my brother. I say, here the man anya bara.
I'm eziokwu na
Ihe dị mma na anya
mama.
bara maka na asị na ọchị na-efe efe. Ilewe na-achọ ka
Yes.
anya n'ihu ya efeera gị. My brother, you are welcome. You are at the right place.
Thank you. Thank
USB
you.
for life.
I don't want to enter into the platform where they are breaking eggs and social division. I don't want to enter there.
Mba. Anyị ga-aba na moto a na-akọwa akwa moto onye isi na-anya. Moto onye isi na-anya. Anyị ga-aba na ya.
Ndị na-akọwashi akwa na-akọwashi ha. Echebazị na aga m asụkwa n'asụsụ, aga m na-eme isi ya n'asụsụ ndị ke mama m ha ndị ngwa asụsụ ndị ngwa.
Carry go, my brother. Carry go. Akwa agwụla n'Europe. Akwa agwụla n'Europe maka bam.
Asị m ha butere m aka ka m were na-eri na Ghana. Ịma na anyị na-eri fried egg and the pepper, fresh pepper and banku and tilapia. Ha buru akwa na-akọwasị. Afọ na-eghe m, ana m achọ akwa m ga-eri wee rie na Ghana. Ebe ndị nna m ha egwere akwa na-akọghasị la platform. Ama sị la akwa gboo ga-abụ ihe mbịara agbawasịwa afọ gboo. Akwa si ola da ịtụta akọghasịara wa anyị Ngozi Orabueze, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze.
Ịgbaga eziokwu, etiile akpa ego n'Europe maka vam. Etiile akpa ego n'aha Chineke, akpa na uhe ezi ndị na-eri ya.
Agwara m agwa asịla adịghị platfọm na-ejighị aga okwu ihe na-ejighị eme m ikwu ihe gbasara Biafra. Because akwụkwọ nsọ sịla Jizọs sị ọ bụrụ na ikwu ihe gbasara ya ga-eme ya ihere, then na ya agaghị ikwupụta aha ya n'ebe ndị mmadụ nọ, na ya nwere onwe ya gakwa enwe ihere ikwupụta, ya ga-ekwupụta aha nke gị. So yes, so that's just that. I thank God that I had the opportunity to come into this platform today, because one of my Nemoche in the UK has been telling me about Kai TV. So I went in there, I subscribed, and this is my first time. Luckily, I just got the notification. Then I said, let me come and at least greet the Nemoche and the Namoche. I'm going to have love Okeneha from the little beautiful city of Bolgatanga in Upper East Region, Ghana. Ebe anyị na ndị Burkina Faso share border. So I salute each and every one of you. The United States of Biafra, Mazen Namde.
My brother, you are highly welcome. You are highly welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Ọkwa ma ego unu na-awụzi pounds to Zoom money.
I'm telling you. I know, although, yes, we did something in 2007 during ex-President John Kufuor, 2007. There was a redenomination of the Ghana currency. So that Ghana currency,
yes, I'm aware. That time everybody increased to dollar.
Yes. So when the zoo were counting 100, we were counting 1,000. When the zoo were counting 1,000, we were counting million. So that was how it was. So that 2007, the redenomination entails that some zeros will be taken away. Where you have 1,000 Ghana cedi, then you have 100 10 Ghana 1 Ghana cedi. When you have 1,000 Ghana cedi,
Before you continue, let me tell you a small story. Sorry for the time. Let me tell you a small story in regards to that issue.
Yes, sir.
O nwere nwoke ngwa jere Ghana. Jee Ghana rụọ ọrụ and before eje Ghana o bicha na ndị mmadụ ego. Ruo Ghana raise rụta up to 1 million Ghana cedis.
1 million Ghana cedis, I'll give you 99 million naira.
No. 1 million Ghana cedis. That was then. No, that was then. Yeah, were ego a bata Nigeria. Were akpa ga ama ogbo ama Hausa ka ọ ga change ego. Jie ndịrị na oji ụgwọ ha bịa onye ọbụla bịa were ego were Ghana mosque ti na akpa. Garo na ama Hausa ebe ọ na-aga ga-agbanwe ego. Were the 1 million Ghana cedis nye ha. Ha gbalie were chịta ego na ihe na ama ọwụ 100 and something thousand ka how many thousand ka ọwụ eweta ya nye ya ya sị mbara na ihe oji ebe a 1 million dị sị ha sị na ihe ego ya wee ya that period ya nọrọ nga ahụ ejie ozi ihe onye ọbụla ya lahụla Ghana.
So I heard it as well. It's just to describe how our money was that time. So when the zoo were counting thousands, our people are counting in millions. So to make it accountable and easy to be calculated in the computer for easy computing, so some zeros were taken out. So that is how it is. But as I'm talking to you now, based on this, if you make it 1-to-1 now, $1 here is about in naira, that's about 1,000 naira. That's 10 Ghana cedi, because I always do it 1-to-1. 1,000 Ghana, $1 now is 10 Ghana cedi and 30 pesos. If you convert it into Zoom money, that's about 1,000 naira or 990. But if you are changing $1 in Nigeria today in the zoo, that's about 1,500 or 1,400 and something naira. So that is how they are calculating it, because I use the dollar as as a reference point and my own source of conversion. So that is how I do it. So your voice sounds like a Mazi Chooks. You see, that is when I was listening, if not that I saw Kai TV, I would have said, hey, maybe this is Mazi Chooks, survivor. But all the same, thank God that we have people like you that are waxing strong and propagating the affairs of the United States of Biafra, has been presided or run by the Deputy Prime Minister Dr. Ngozi Arabueze. I thank you all. May God bless you everywhere you are, in the comment section, those that will see it, in the diaspora, in my mother's ancestral land, which is the Biafra land. I say, may God continue to bless each and every one of you, because the task that we have chosen, to fight on, to carry, is not an easy one. But as na mberede nyiri dike na ọkwanụ mberede ka eji amalụ dike. So
wait. The person that's talking to me, or that Oyami.
Yes, the former Nigerian soldier as well.
That's
the Okene now.
You, sir, I greet you, sir.
They would not.
Yeah, man, I get more because that's game for sir. Tokyo now. What can come? I'm going to go in the I know.
Yes, sir. Kai ndị Igbo anyị si na nshekọ a na-ata nshekọ n'oshi.
Okay.
So, yes,
I'm happy to have you. Happy to see you today.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm happy to be. Yeah, I am happy. I am happy to be with you today. My first time here, and I hope that I will be frequenting. Yes, I'll be frequenting on this platform because of the goodwill that you have, given to the United States of Biafra and Dr. Ngazan Rabweze. I salute
God
each
bless
and
you,
every
sir.
one of you. I am so happy that Ejemma is out. I do not know, but we have to. It's a good thing. It's a good development.
It's
When
a
all
good
that,
thing. Yeah, it's a good thing.
yeah,
Very good thing.
yes, it's a very good step in the right direction. So we have gotten our own currency, and under the leadership of Dr. Ngotson Arabese
Yeah.
and those that are supporting him, his her kitchen cabinet members, or those are called her adjutants. Thank God. Thank you so much for what you have done. At least
God bless you,
we
sir.
will not, once the occupying forces on our land is removed, we will not be running helter-skelter looking for how to print our money and how to make up policies to print our money. Our money is already here, and it is going to be in use immediately. The occupying forces are are chased out of the land of Biafra. Continue with what you are doing. Do not allow anybody to discourage you. There will be distractions, because they said if we continue to turn back, pick up pebbles, and begin to stone the dogs that are barking at us, we will not get to our destination on time. We must ignore. There are some certain things we would dust away and move on, because we have a greater task ahead of us. And that tax, that big elephant, is the Biafra, the total recognition of Biafra, and the sovereignty of the Biafra as a nation, and the freedom of the people in total is what we must fight for. I love each and every one of you, and I will be doing everything within my powers to support you wherever I go. There is no platform that I do not go to, including the pro Nigeria, pro Zoo. I go there to make the presence of the Biafra and the information and what I believe about Biafra known to them. At the end, some of them they insult me. Hey, ndị Igbo anyị si na mmiri mara ogugu ọwụ ihe efu ka o mere. So ịtụkwa m ikwukwa m iku ọgbasahụ m. But the only thing is that that message must be passed, whether you like it or not,
Exactly.
so that you will be a witness to what we have done. The truth must be preached. Thank you so much, Kai TV. May God bless you and bless those that are in the studio today. I love each and every one of you. I yield here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you too. God bless you too. Last time I was I was listening to the Eggman, the man who turned egg in Europe to become very expensive. That man was talking bad about you. I was also on comment section that day to
Really?
he felt so bad that you are no longer coming to his platform. I was laughing. Say, look at
I went to, if you see Kai TV, if you see the insult I've gotten from them. In fact, the very first day this thing happened, I remember my uncle, is it Uncle Nonamba? Uncle Nonamba? I was making my submission on Twitter. Some guy they call Chinsum, he bears the same name with the third son of my mother's first son, who is a doctor. I know I am 50 years old. And that boy now, I think he was born in 1986 or thereabout. So I do not know the age of that Chisom on Twitter. And the other one they call the Observer. And another one again, they call a woman that I respect so much, because it is a woman, a Biafra woman, a beautiful woman from the Biafra land, Ngwa land, Madam Eunice Nwori. She is the one that took care of me, made me who I am, and trained me as they bring up a child in the way of the Lord, so that when he grows old, he won't depart from me. That is what my mother taught me. It is hard for me to insult, those that are, even those that are, I am older than, not to talk of women. If you go to my timeline, if you see the insults they gave me that time, the only thing I would laugh and say, well, I was not brought up to insult, especially women. I could have, done the thing. But even in the military, when I was very, very active, if I catch you, I don't do anything to anybody. I don't use my uniform as at that time, the zoo uniform, to intimidate people. Because in the Igbo anyị sị na anaghị amụ aka ekpa na nka ngwa agwa ọma na-esi n'ụlọ pụta ama. If that person is not proper, if you watch most of them that are talking, watch most of them, the accountabilitants, people that are looking for accountability and they cannot watch their utterances and see the real person from someone's, words, from the words that comes out of a man will tell you who that person is inside. So that is how it is. If you see this, in fact, the very first day I went to Bam's platform, I made my point to them. I said, look, we will not continue to do this. There is, this segregation that is coming now, this disunity that I have sensed now. Let everybody calm down. And I would not like each and every one of you to begin to fight each other, because we have a common enemy. We have the big trouble, the big man in the house is the zoo. And whichever way, if you believe that what I am doing is not right, follow your own path. Let's be in a parallel line. And we have at the end point where every one of us interest and opinion and fight and struggle will empty is in Biafra. Let's go in there when we get there. So, but they didn't, listen to me. I asked them a question. If someone like the Prime Minister comes out today and work with, was it not the blueprint that was there? The declaration? Because for me, I knew from the beginning that the Biafran Republic government was a vessel, was a special, what do we call it? SVP, special SPV, special purpose vehicle that will usher in the redeclaration of the state of Biafra. And when the state of Biafra was redeclared on the 29th November 2024, the BG, which is a shadow of it, has to give way. And that is how I see it. In my own opinion, that's how I see it. We were in Biafran Republic coming in exile. Now we have had, this one has been, it has automatically taken over, the old. When we do bodybuilding, when you go and buy this, what do they call it? Amino acid, that time I was building very well. When you take amino acid, as you are building your body, what you do, what that amino acid does is to build and repair of worn out muscles. This is what it does. So as you are taking it and you're telling, those dead muscles in your body will be pushed away. Then the new ones that will make your muscles, visible, your biceps and everything, make you look muscular, will now come up, and replace the old ones that are not needed. Do we need Biafra Republic government in exile anymore when the declaration has been made? So these are some of the things I was telling them, but some of them did not agree. They called me Saboteur. They say, who is sure if a former soldier in the Nigerian army, a one officer retired, is not an agent of the Nigeria, the same way they call Dr. Ngazan Arabes or Abu Fulani or Abu Zu and the rest of them. That was exactly what they call. If you call me that, I am happy, because it is not going to change my opinion. And remember, till today, I have not spoken or insulted these people, because I make jokes out of it. Instead of you to break eggs, bro, bring the eggs for me. I need the eggs. So these are the things that I say. And I do not know whether they got offended with it. If they got offended with it, I am sorry. I'll just explain myself and expressing myself as, a stakeholder in the Biafran issue. So whether they insult me, my brother, yes, they will insult me, because you do not agree with whatever that they agreed upon. So that's okay. And all of us will not agree, in everything. That is democracy. The Biafrans are democracy. The way you feel like you want to follow that way. That way that I know that is good for me.
That insult actually make me to like you so much, because the way you handle it, you just ignore them and mind your business.
You see, that is it. So for me, I'm okay with what you people have done. I'm okay with what Dr. Ngozi Onwuebueze is done. And they remember that Dr. Ngozi Onwuebueze is a human being. She is bound to make mistakes. But the only thing we owe her is to continue to pray for her so that those mistakes will be avoided. That is the only thing I will do. Every human being is bound to make mistakes. So, and I hope that God will guide her so that those mistakes will not be detrimental to what we are fighting. I love each and every one. I'm happy to be in your midst today, Mazekai.
God bless you, sir. God bless you. You gladden my heart. You don't know. I'm happy to hear from you, because you are one of those that and we normally listen to you in that platform, and when they started going gaga, you said no. I know what I want. That's what men do, not cha. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you.
They will not.
Ozil, please, you have to go out and come back. You have to go out and come back. Your network is not connecting at all. Mind your business or mute your mic. Let's hear from you, because we are going to close very soon because of fundraising. Mind your business. Are you not sleeping? You have taken the position of our brother Triple M. Yeah. Triple M, are you there?
Maybe he's in the other room.
Kai report ama aga m agwa ogo gekere ya su ogo. I will say fall back republic. I will say fall back republic. They will sue you.
Sue me.
Ejile ihe mere mmadụ akọ ya ọnụ na. Ele mere mmadụ akọ ya na akọ ya ka iji fight. Akọ ya ka iji fight maka this freedom. Mmadụ ga-arụ ngụda ọnụ karịa gote. Ebe a na-achọ ka enwe ike kwụọ taasụ kwa ihe niile, echekwa na bifo gị ịbaghe mere ihe ejile taasụ dọchịa gị ya. Useless area. I just know here now Abraham.
I don't know if you people are aware of the current tactics of Ogenkere. He told his followers not to donate money in the website again, and he presented to them this paper and one other way of making donation today. Today will be interesting, to be honest with you. And Ado Koko, which is Aisha
Mariam Abubakar.
Aisha Madam Abubakar insists that the website must be on, and actually made gave them I think 24 hours or 48 hours to reverse what they have done. Aisha also gave their own mandate that today we determine what Ogekere wants, that he must open the Zoom for them to come in and do donation. And for you to know that Ogekere is scared of them, they have actually sent the link since yesterday. Like the guy made it public with his son Abrawa. They published it yesterday how to the Zoom link and everything for their fundraiser today. So we shall see if people will donate money there or not. And he made a broadcast yesterday, Ogekere, addressing their followers. And these guys are comedians, but like I said, let us focus on what we have to do. Mind your business. Let's hear from you. God bless you.
Should I go
Mind your business. Are you there?
Oh.
Okay.
If you mind your business,
in whom God is well pleased. My Biafrans, my good Biafrans, you can see I am going back to my base. The good news is that our PM will soon join us. No evidence. It is not a crime for us to fight our freedom. You can see how lovely it is. You can see these are the people who have fought this battle, who knows what it means to fight for their rights and their freedom. And that's what we are doing. And that's what Mazi Simon Ekpa is doing. And that's what all the genuine Biafran is.
If your message is from me, follow the link and talk to me like a man or a woman you claim you are. Don't behave like a ghost. You say criminals. You know what Ogenkere is doing all this while. Please come and tell us. I would like to hear from you.
Blood has wasted because of this freedom. Captivities, betrayers, rejection, false allegations, infiltrations, fighting one another. But this time around, it has come to an end. I came in peace. I came to see our Prime Minister. I came to make a decree in this Finland, Latvia, that every hand that I've held our Prime Minister will be loose. And the God of Chuko Kikabiama heard me as I die of the indigene of Biafra, as I die was the good fight. Like I always tell people, time will tell. And I said again, the land of Germany, the land of Finland will release our Prime Minister. We release our Prime Minister. Eke, Ore, Avo, Mko. So shall it be. Our forefathers, in no distant time, our Prime Minister will join us. Amen. Like I said, the love we have for our Prime Minister, it is that make us to still living. The love that we have for our Prime Minister, that's what is keeping the genuine Biafrans living. And I want to tell the Biafrans that this is the final battle.
Ozzy, or move your mic, let hear from you.
No. Hello, good evening, Biafrans. Good evening, Zikai. Anna Day. I saw the currency Madam print. It's a very welcome development. It's a very, very welcome development. I always saying that the woman will be killing them with achievement. Let the fallback continue crying. We know where we are heading. We know where like the mother always said that we know our history, we know our parents, we know everything about us. Nobody will tell us about our history. It's only us. So as the game proceeding, I love what she's doing silently, killing them with the achievement. I love what is going on. He saw the video of Holy Ghost. I had a video that came up recently. What the young man was saying, immediately he realized his mistake. They eliminate him because they know that what he's saying is truth. Mazi always said that it's only truth that will, no matter how you are doing, only the truth will keep you in this struggle. And they can see the truth. Immediately the young man realized his mistakes and they eliminated him. Who does
brother,
that?
Sorry, my brother. That video is an old video. That is when the Biafra is newly declared before the war is turned off.
Yeah, yes, I know it's an old video, but the video just come up. The guy was saying the truth, because initially it was like Holy Ghost was against the USB, but later he realized his mistake. He was saying the truth.
No. Right from day one, from the
Uh,
from the redeclaration, he
yeah.
was with USB.
Okay.
Before Sonia Brawa went and brainwashed him, he has
Okay.
already made this video before talking that rubbish.
Okay. So you can see how this.
Who is talking? What happened?
I don't know what happened to his mic.
You can throw more light for him. Some people might think, there is something our brother, Humble Lion is doing. He's really going deep, bringing old videos. And when some people see it, they feel that it's a recent video. So that video, our brother, that video was made once our nation was redeclared. Even that day the nation was redeclared. That night it was one when he made his video. I watched it live when he was doing the video. So when everything came happen, when everybody came back, the fallback republic started their manipulation. Then Parawa, being his brother, now he went and brainwashed him, and they gave him some money. My brother now turned to something else. Forgot the initial video he made. But at the end of it all, now what happened? Keze born or now? That he's paying me. We are not happy that this thing happens to him, but it's quite painful. Honestly, it's quite painful.
The thing is that, to me, everybody have their own interpretation about that particular video, whether old or new. The message is clear. You understand? To me,
Sure. It's a clear message.
To me, I believe that it's old. That's what I believe. I believe that message was before that, within that Christmas period, within that December, January, that time.
Kai, I am telling you that video, I watched it live. It was that 29th when Biafra was redeclared. That 29th, because everyone was shocked.
Okay.
That 29th night, it was the full evening. He made that video. I followed him live. I watched it on Facebook live.
All these people, all of them, including the Solomon that is here saying that he's one of the men on ground. All of them were happy. We're okay with it. But the immediate success begin to penetrate them with confusion. They begin to.
That is why, if you can recall, Kai, if you can recall, there is something our DPM said. She said, nobody speaks with Okengwere and remain the same. That is to bring it back. That Okengwere, who is he using?
You said it, Joe.
Success is the mouthpiece on the ground he was using then. Are you getting me? He was the one he was using. He was using him to manipulate others. All of them were happy. Okay, look at that same success was the person that called Prince Will, Abana Aziz, to ask him where are you on this thing that is happening. The guy was like, why asking where are we? Is there any other place? Is it not a USB? He said, no, you better join us. So he said, where again? So we are falling back. Oh. But I blame that Prince Will. Person that sent you money when you have not even requested, when they were still in Finland, you follow everything and see how everything was going. All of a sudden, just a phone call and an entity called you. And you heard before that, I believe that our DPM have already suspended that same success before the Finland designation come on board. He was suspended. It was all Gete and these people that said that you can't suspend him. He's a PNPA. Plays who? That same person called you to tell you to fall back. That we are not following that woman. No. You yourself, you have seen what the woman have done, and you yourself you confirmed it and confessed that the woman, you like what she did. In fact, you are with her with all your heart. Even she sent you 4 million even before that time. Only phone call. My brother, I pity him. I pity them. Since that day now, what have been their activities? What have been their own activities? He did. It's well. That's why I said on the area of Gentle. Yeah, he should play with caution. He should play with caution, tread with caution, because these guys, all they want to do is that they will draw him out and eliminate him. And I believe he has realized his mistake. He has went inside. He has went inside, knowing that those people are not doing well. Those people are not good for him. That's why he realized his mistake and they take his steps.
Trevor, give our brother a chance. He wants to say something.
Okay, now go on, my brother.
Thank you so much, Namoche. You see, the very first time, there is something we talk when professionals, behave the way they behave. There are reasons, why they behave the way they behave. Let's say I am still in active service in the military. There are some certain things I will not say. I was in a Mazichuk Survivors platform one day. We were discussing in the morning. I advise them, you as a commander, you take instructions from your CNC. The CNC we have now is acting. That is Dr. Anderson Rabwezi. He is the Deputy Prime Minister, presiding over the affairs of the United States of Biafra in the absence of the Prime Minister. You do not come out when there are problems. You see the reason why soldiers always venture into coups. They will be there watching, the Kake boys, they will be there watching what this one is saying, what Andrew is saying, the political activities of Andrew, the political activities of John and the rest of them, they'll be watching. The day they will strike, they will just strike. You will not come and see them talk. The time when these things were happening, they came out and began to run videos, make statements on the platform where people were watching them. They were making their positions known. Either they are with the United States of Biafra, or they were with the APM, what I call amplifier representative. You see, so you don't do that. I advise them, but they refuse to listen. Since that time, they've been making videos. Now, things are like this. Where are you going to be? Who are you going to pitch your tent with? This is the problem. And remember, you are holding guard on behalf, and you have to also consider the chaotic environment that you are operating and those that want to eliminate you at all costs. You don't even supposed to be appearing. Once you enter into the defensive mode that you are defending your land, your ancestral land, you must, is as good as a dead man. You don't exist. When we were doing covert operations or sting operations, entering into places that we don't even supposed to do. That is the reason why I am versatile in so many languages. I speak Hausa, I speak Igbo, I speak a little bit of Spanish, and so on and so forth, because we can, I know the people that are with you. This is what we guide. Anytime you speak, I always advise them, don't take side, because you must be neutral in everything that you're doing. The only people that you are responsible to are the Biafrans. They are the ones that you are protecting. Stay away from the politics. Some of them did not understand, but look at what is going on now. The videos that you made the other time, they will come and play it for you today. This is who you were. This is what you are. If you are in the wrong path, it is going to affect you, affect your morale, and affect whatever that you are doing for the people.
Your network is muted again.
No, I'm done.
Okay, you're done. Thank you so much. Thank you. And this Solomon, you said that I have to apologize to you that I insulted you. and all that. When you started making comment, I don't even know that you're a man on ground. That was number one. Number two, I respect anybody that is sacrificing. You understand? Whether you're on the left or you're on the right. I don't talk about them because it is not easy. That's number one. Number two is that you do not address yourself that you are one of soldiers. You just jump on here and begin to criticize COS, which you know that, of course, you receive feedback automatically. Do you understand? So we are not here to nurse anybody or to massage word. I'm not here to make you happy. Because I'm not your wife. You understand? So please, I don't owe you any apology because you did not introduce yourself. You did not introduce yourself. Yes, my brother. So please, and don't feel offended. I'm not talking down on you because I don't want you to feel offended though. But you have to be straightforward, okay?
If he wants to get offended, let him get offended. No men on ground will be on your platform for almost 1 hour.
We don't care. If you want to get offended, let him get offended. We don't care.
Because men on ground. Yeah, one thing you can understand. Men on ground. What about those nonsense?
I understand. See, the way I live my own life, I always want it. I'm not like Ejemma in Awata. Whether you are men on ground or not. Your comment here, my brother, your comment here, Solomon, is not pleasant. You know that. Even in CS, you know. For you to even compare CS with Ogenkere is an insult. Here, you read your comments yourself. You said our fellow commander, Holy Ghost, was eliminated by Success and Ogenkere. So that alone should disqualify you comparing COS and Ogenkere. You are the one saying this now, not me. Do you understand? So please, I don't mean to insult you or provoke you. I was replying your message, which you know that is not good. Are we okay with that? Thank you.
The real men on ground don't come online to make all this kind of unguided statements.
Okay. Okay, right on.
And when we're gentle, when gentle came out that time, anytime you come out on media, you're ready to face any insult that you don't expect. Because you come on media to take side. As a veteran person, you call yourself, you have to be neutral and watch how things go. But some of them don't understand all those things. Somebody will come out and say that he's a man and he will be online for complete 2 to 3 hours, and he would come and claim that no. It doesn't work that way. So that guy now go get that thing. Forget about that guy. He's nobody. I'm telling you the part. He's nobody.
Thank you so much. So we have to end it here. Let us use 1 minute to make submission, because in next 1 hour, or thereabouts, or 2 hours from now, we are going to fundraising will start. So let us rest for that. And please, as we are making comment, I want to emphasize on that fundraising. Some of us that are here, please emphasize more on the fundraising while you're making your submission. Let's start from Triple M. You are going to go first.
Okay. So here now we go, my brother. Today. 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 My dear brother, my sisters, UK I want to book up. Our platform will go in. We are advancing back the way it used to be before these criminals came and spoiled everything. My fellow Biafrans, now this is the time. We don't need to beg anybody, like I said before, and I will keep saying it. We are no longer here to beg. What we are doing is, if they play the show, we are not hiding anything. If you still believe and you are hungry of this freedom, I don't know if you, I'm already in Biafra, despite the fact I'm in UK. One day, I don't even the reason zoo again. Now Biafra, everything in Biafra. Even some of my they ask me where am I from, told them Biafra. I say, where is Biafra? I say, United States of Biafra, USB. What does that mean? Biafra. No, No. You see, Nigeria, you are the one saying it. I'm in Biafra. Google it. What do you see? So now, my people, let's support our freedom. You see, as better soup, money kill am o. We are printing money. This is money. We're using money to print money. And our DPM have promised us something. The same thing like our PM. He said, okay, even the Minister of Secretary of Finance, they said this is the last. This is the last. This thing we will print. This is the last printing. After this printing, the next one will be in Biafra land, and that is how it's gonna be. My fellow Biafrans, let's come out today and support. Thank you very much. I yield.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my brother. God bless you. So let's hear from Ewen. Ewen, move the mic. Let's hear from you.
Yeah, thank you,
Thank you,
Kai, and my brothers and sisters,
No,
Nemoches and mine
I'm the one that have to
that are
say,
in this
brother.
platform. Yeah.
Continue.
Someone is
Let continue after you. Then he will go. I called him before you, but since you have started, let's continue.
Okay. Thank you. I salute each and every one of you. The time that you are spending in order to propagate this message, may Chukwu Okike Abiama continue to bless you and reward you in 100-folds. And remember today is our normal contribution day, fundraising. No matter how small it is, just come in there and put in your widow's mite. Ndị Igbo anyị si na ofe tọrọ ụtọ ọwụ ego gburu ya. So there is no way you will go. And remember, na ndị Igbo anyị sịkwa na-agba aka nwata eze n'ọnụ. As long as you are coming there, please, you are not going to go away without dropping your widow's mite. We need it in order to equip the men on the ground, the defense that are protecting the land. You can see what is happening in Imo State. The Fulani terrorists has taken over Imo State, roaming the city of Imo State with AK-47 and their cattle in the town. They are not even afraid again to, show you the AK-47 automatic rifle that they hanged on themselves, that they train. This is what should make each and every one of us to contribute. For those that have it and you say you will not contribute, it is going to be like a stone that is thrown at the center in a pool, in a mud pool. It is going to affect each and every one of us in one way or the other. We must do something to save my mother's ancestral land. I salute the Ngwa people no Ghana. Ndị Ngwa people no here. Ana m ekele unu, asị m Chineke nna onye bi n'eluigwe gọzie unu n'otu. Unu jisi ike o. La nwanyị ndị ime mbụ ọma lọgakwana bịa and Biafra la onwe ya nke bịara anyị. Anyị nke ṅụrị ọṅụ n'ime Biafra. Ekele m unu. I remain, you are Okene or you are Nwanwa from the little beautiful city of Bolgatanga in Upper East Region, Ghana. Thank you for having me. I love you all.
Thank you so much. And honestly, we are not only proud of you, we are proud of your mother. Honestly, your mother is your mother represented well. God bless you, sir. Thank you. So, Ewen, please write down, my brother.
Okay, my brother Kai, thank you so much for giving me a chance to talk. All Biafrans, for those who don't know much Chineke, now I'm going to go see already, and I thank all Biafrans that stand and listen to the program. God bless you all. Today is today, so for the fundraising, the time has come for us to stand on what we believe in. And Biafrans, for those who are there now, most of you guys don't need the prophets to tell the person the truth of what is going on. Onye ọbụla kpatara ego ga-ebi ebe otu o si chọọ. Ọgụ nwakpara ego gị, ọgụ nwatara akwụkwọ ego gị. So ya hụ na ị chọrọ ego gị, because there were some genuine Biafrans feeling that maybe some of them feeling hand on the right side while they don't know what they are doing. with what you have seen all this while, you need to know the truth. So that's your hard-earned money. If you need to with your foot, wherever you chop or for exactly what you want the money to be used, go and put your money on USB. That is the only where your money will be used for the reason you put it there. If you take your money and go to Fallback Republic and then they fall inside all that, it is up to you. They will still share your money. You have seen how they are sharing your money to 1,000 and others. Just check all these things. When they pay over $1,000, the money you contributed, then what is used? What is the meaning? What is the reason for you to be sending your money to them? It doesn't make sense. So you have only common sense. It's time you just what would give me to, oh my God, Joe guess are you doing the right thing? So my advice to you is to do the right thing. Go to the USB, do the right thing there, so that we'll go home. That's our plan, to make sure we'll go home, do the needful, to make sure our men on ground are well taken care of, and the diplomatic move, everything is intact. So those don't know much in the carry force, we move.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my brother. God bless you. And IJ, I see you. Please unmute your mic.
There, woman, Zikai.
Okay, we have two Ejemma here, right?
Okay, I don't know. Anchemo Ejemma and Kemo Kimbo.
No, another Ejemma here.
All right,
So
mute.
please, we are coming to you. Okay, just in a moment. Are you there?
Okay.
Yes, let's
Thank
hear from
you.
you.
Thank you, Omo Biafra. I greet everyone. A sị na ada afọ ebe a na-echi ụzọ jebe ebe a na-alụ agụ. Secondly, ọ bụrụ na ịkpatala ego, ama m na ọ na-afịa anyị arụ ịkpata ego anụ anyị ada atụtụ atụtụ na ọ bụrụkwanụ nọ na ozukazila anyị ka anyị ji wee na-enye nke anyị na-enye kama na ife a na-eme masịrị anyị chọrọ nnwere onwe ọnya ka anyị ji wee na-edina ya onwe anyị so many things wee ka na-etinye ego anụ aka afọ na anyị nwere onwe anyị daalụnụ na nke unu mere eme onye ọbụla saa anya unu afụgonu ya. The way this is going now is open to everybody. Welu uche akọ na uche gị wee mere ife kita anụ anyị fụzile kita ife na-emezi dat ife agbala anyị abụrụ ife na-eme a na-ekwubi ya mbụ ọ dịkasị bikos a sị na mgbele niile makpu amakpu ejiri oze wee mali nke afọ na-alụ Chineke onyegolo anyị aka kita ife niile welu nwayọ Chineke welu nwayọ na-edozi oche orefe onye ọbụla n'anya ife na-eme ihe m na-ekwuli ha anụnwa bụ na ọ bụrụ na ha ka ndị fallback si wee tiwa o gosiri na Chineke ọ bụrụ uche Chineke bụ ifefa na-eme watana ya maka mgbe ọ na-agabu Chineke na-alụ ọlụ anyị a na-afụrụ ya anyị na-ewe normal thing. Achọrọ m ka m dobere unu Chineke na-alụ ọlụ ya kịta anụwa na-alụsi eke wọta ife a na-eme fatiwala onwefa ndị nke ọzọ si na maka na ndị nke ọzọ a na-ewetara ego ọkwa ewetara ego anụwa enyere akaụntụ ife ego nke doneti ka wee mali ka esi wee ọkwa ya bụ ife bidoro izizi ụtụlụfa n'anyarị ndị ka ya esi wee si baba bịa mere akaụntụ onye ji ego ọra ego mụ na gị okpo ofufu pụrụ anyị na-arụ anyị wee weta anyị wee welie otu awa wee na-etinye n'ife ofu onye si na ọ bụrụ ka esi eme na ọ nwere nyanwa ya ekwu ife niile nyanwa ya eme ife niile nyanwa ọkwa ofu ife ahụ ebidoro izizi baji wee gbuo ndị be anyị egbulu bikos na ha pịaziri gbawa ama ụwa mmebezie afetiwe ndị nọ naanị ndị kwetelu na ha wee kpesasị ife a na-eme ka nna gbu na ife just imagine na ọ bụrụ na mgbe anwa anyị si ife napụta dikle onwe anyị sikwotu anwa wee ti mgbe wee gaba n'iru ebe anyị ka nọ kịta anyway o wee mee otu o si wee mee Chineke na-alụrụ anyị ọgụ kịta anụwa afetiwago onwe ha si na ife nwa bụ na efu ego anwa ụfọdụ n'ime ba klemzie santa nwa egbe na ọfanwa bụzi ndị bụ santa oibaba na-agba anyị kịta uche unu dị ya No, we find one lili na lachofe. Uchunu dia. So, Ejemma, jetinye go get back. No worry for na baba ko na aba. Una mekatakwa na tinye go no nia. Batani na USB, United States of Biafra. Ene-ekwu eneme ọ na United States of Biafra ka ọ na-akpọtụ. Batani tata na onye ọbụla ife ọbụla wepụta obi gị tinyebe ego gị na ka emewe ife ka agaba n'iru. Achọrọ m ịna n'arụ anụ achọrọ m ịna ana nna m. Biko ana m ayọ onye ọbụla fie na ịsa n'anya onye ọbụla wenite n'obi unu ka anyị were ofu obi wee na-aga wee mee ife Chukwu na chọrọ ka anyị mee. Daalụ.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. God bless you. Ozil, just 1 minute. Okay, let's hear from you.
Ndị Biafra ana m ekele nnụ ala ekele nnụ asị m jide ka nnụ ji maazị ka jide ka iji because ọ bụrụ na ọwụ ndị dị ka gị banya na mmiri eriele many of us because ọnụ ndị kwuru n'eziokwu na-ekwu ka ewe eziokwu hụ na adatara gọọmenti anyị a standịrị nnụ gbaziri nnụ ji aka because ọwụ na ọwụ mmadụ dị ka nnụ ma Chineke a na mmiri eriela anyị wetara achị na mpụ na ihe ndị eji bịa ana m ekele Chineke anyị nne amamihe ọgwụla ka nnukwu ike na-arụ ọrụ a na-aga n'ihu ọgwụla tụọ ha m n'olu udo dịrị nụ.
Thank you so much. Ole, let's hear from you. Ole, are you there?
Hey, brother.
Okay.
Kai, how are you, man?
I'm good. Nice to have you.
Okay. Yeah, I greet everyone in the platform. I just want to say one thing about the so-called Solomon and the comment he made the last time. We tell you to apologize to him because of his one of the men in ground. You know, I think this guy sometimes we should stop using this kind of emotion of a man in the ground that will come after you abuse everyone and abuse your leader. Then you come to say because you're a man on the ground, that's why you have to do this and that. You see, that also reminds me about this so-called United Biafra Unite. A faceless human being. I don't condone my time. I don't waste my time to talk about the person when I don't know who you are. Who am I speaking with? You understand me? So anybody who comes on your platform, even though it's by writing, without no face, no camera, nothing, don't give those kind of people any kind of a welcome in your platform, because these are kind of people that they want to distract you on your program, and they're trying to make every other people listen to you and what you are presenting at that particular time to become angry. You understand me? And I see no reason who so-called Solomon will say he's one of the men in the ground. So because of that, you have to apologize to him. He can go to hell. You can go to hell if you want to. And I want everybody to respect this program. Every time you take your time and spend hours with your brothers and try to analyze some of issues concerned about those fallback republic and some of the propaganda and lies. So I just want to give you the energy and the power to continue doing what you're doing. Every true Biafrans are behind you. And also, I'm so happy about what I saw in our EPM tweet this morning about Biafra meet money. So it's like kind of a right direction in the positive sign that things are happening without even saying much. So kudos, brother, and keep on doing a good job. That's how I read my tweet here, brother. Take care.
Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you. So let's hear from Ejemma. Let's hear from you.
Mazindewo.
There were.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I think I came a little bit late, so I was not able to give in my submission earlier. But I just wanted to say something.
Just take your time and do everything together.
Right. I just wanted to say something regarding the fundraising. I just want to re-emphasize on certain things, just a little bit.
Very important. Very important.
So, Imana, our people, we are, even though we are difficult people, we are very, very difficult species, but we are still conscious being. A conscious people. I face joke. I know. Hapuchakwa people. Some people halfway joke, like they has not half white, has not black, but they are still conscious people. How man can unke? But because of maybe their stomach infrastructure or what they are gaining, or the go away made a pillow. So they tend to be like hard of hearing or stubborn. So that is their problem. Okay. So with that being said, Imana, what something concerning this fundraising? Imana this fundraising. Some people know, oh, and they make fundraising. Gini ka eji ego eme, ngozi na-eri ego, ngozi na-eri unumugo. Like somebody that is called Ogochukwu Okafor is there, trash talking her idiocy. Na that comment section. Na-ekwu na ngozi and oge nkere blah blah blah. Listen, the difference is clear.
Ogochukwu Okafor, I did not see that person. No.
Right. She's busy saying that Ogechukwu and Ngozi is a DOS member, blah blah blah. That she only
this is I don't know who comes. These are just citizens, because now that they have jumped out, they're looking for customer. You understand?
Right.
But you're not gonna get it. He said you lose your own because we are here. That's just, I will guarantee you that one.
Right.
That's just a fact.
They are of distraction. They are of distraction origin, and we will keep decoding and trashing them where they belong to. So, but with that being said, so like I'm saying, that the difference is clear. Ogechukwu Nkere took our money and ran off. He doesn't want to do he doesn't want to be responsible for anything. Ogechukwu Nkere came back after Ngozi Orebeze finished redeclaring, after a woman redeclare chagiwa nwoke Biafra. Inyoka a bird mmiri ibadata after you left Finland, ibadata zie na begi norozie begi na your one bedroom na gwazi ai na what she redeclared is not it. Ogechukwu Nkere did not redeclare Biafra, for God's sake. Ogechukwu Nkere did not get us embassy. Embassy on wetere na ghetto, Maryland ghetto, ebe embassy, which is not viable. Ngozi Orebeze did all these things for us. I'm just talking to people now who are asking, gini ke Ngozi Orebeze ji ego eme, ana atu ego na read the money. No, she's not eating the money. She's doing ihe anyị na-afụ nke a na-ekwu kita o print kwana unu ego o print go unu money. So she's doing a whole lot of ọ na-eme ihe kara aka ihe ọ na-eme. I don't know how she's able to do this thing, but nwaanyị a ji ọkpa. And for you to see this, I think you have to be more of spiritual being for you to be able to see the kind of ebe nwaanyị a na-azọ banye ọkụ ụmụ ihe ndị ọ na-emegasị without anybody questioning, without anybody asking, So unu ga na-afụ na enwe ihe eji ego na-atọ eme. So we need the money. Nego ebe je tinye our ebe Madam Orebeze and her cabinet je tinye our embassy. Now Washington DC. You all know how much it takes to put up a place there? Do you know how much it costs? So because ihe eji ego eme, like not there. It's there. It's obvious for us all to see it. So nobody should listen or question. Oh, gini ko jege money every day go blah. No, she ain't eating it. Rather, she's putting in. She's putting her time and her money. So Beacon, can you put all the time, now support as much as you can. Beacon, we are getting there. We will get there. Okay? What we are doing is spiritual. So Beacon, undi kwerenu, can you push in naga? Okay? What is happening right now on social media? These people are agents of distraction. They know what they are doing. They don't belong Nenu. They don't belong Nana. They are also. He's not from. Chiamaka Jede is not for USB. He's neither for Ndi. So please, we can't be distracted. That our people should please keep supporting, because keep counting. Right from the get go. it's a lot what she has done so far. So I can go. Thank you for giving me that opportunity.
Thank you so much. And Ocean Master, you are the last. So let's hear from you before I will I make my own submission. As I have to reply Ogochukwu Okafor and people like I don't know if he's a man or a woman. Ogochukwu is somehow a name that anybody can bear. So please, let's hear from you, Ocean Master, if you are still here with us.
Yeah, Mazikai, I thank you for doing what you're doing. It's not easy to sit here for hours talking, directing, advising, amending, receiving attacks and responding to it. It is one of it. Why did you greet us? I greet you and I greet you and I greet you again. Dear friends, you see, there is no much talk on this again because all of us know what it is. We know where we stand. We know where the genuineness are or is. We know the right thing to do. This is the time. I want to let everybody to know those who say that it's time for prayer. Yes, I agree with you. It is time to pray. And we have to pray with our resources. We have to pray as we pray with our mind and God. We must have to make it with resources because it's highly needed at this very particular time. Then those who the devil are using to distract, it is clear now that we need to disregard these people. Anybody who think that they listen to these people, those shenanigans or fallback, group and chatter, should know that they don't mean well for us. They have assigned themselves and agree on sabotage, and we cannot condemn them. Disregard whatever they are doing with their distractions and let us move. It has begun to rain on USB. I've seen in some of the groups that I am into, thank you, Biafrans, and I call on those Biafrans, those who have never donated, from the west, from the south of USA, those in Californians, those in Chicago, those in DC, those in Los Angeles, those in New York, those in wherever you are, Florida, you can't carry last. Come up with what you have. Your one Ejemma is highly welcomed and accounted for. Then those who are in Europe, in Asia Pacific, in Atlantic and Mediterranean, you are all welcome. Let us do it again and again and again because we are almost there. We see what I've done, our DPM have showcased today. Those things are done with resources. You see, as the armies are getting strong in Biafra land, I mean the BLA, BDF, the Biafra Liberation Army, and all the security apparatus in Biafra land, every day they get stronger, they get more sophisticated. Those things are with resources. These things that they are putting together, these embassies, these buildings, these regulations that are touching all over the world, it's not just by makeup. It's added with this, your resources that you're bringing today. And to cap it all, if you have any doubt or any question that is bothering your mind, please come up today, Biafra time by 7 o'clock. Come up with your questions as you donate. Ask to direct to DPM, Dr. Musa Rabeze. Trust me, you're going to get your answer. Not only her, but some members, other cabinet members will answer to you. If you are not satisfied, you continue to ask questions. In USB, in the cabinet of USB, you ask questions and answers will be given to you to your own satisfactory. On this form, Biafrans, we meet by 7 o'clock Biafran time at fundraising. I yield. God bless us all as we donate. Thank you, Kai. I bless you, and I bless every Biafrans like myself. I yield my mic. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate. I'm watching from different lands. Okay. Let's hear from you. Kachikalo, let's hear from you. Bongo Network. On anyway, Ogechukwu Okafor, who will you chase out? Fulanis that are coming in thousands and occupies with weapons. Ngozi told us not to buy Fulani, but those who invite them. So how? That is what this your question is just proof that you are a DOS followers. You did not listen to PM. You only jump out, begin to support, begin to talk about Biafra after PM has been taken away. That's when you realize that supporting is what doing, right? When PM was here, you don't listen to him. Ogechukwu Okafor. So this is why you choose to ask this kind of irrelevant question. Because if I thought you know what, if I thought you follow all this, this question shouldn't come from you. And I'm not gonna. Should I answer you the way for you to know? Do you deserve it? Do you deserve my time? Because some of you are just, no matter what people say, no matter what somebody say, you go out just to commit nuisance. Solomon, you are another person. But let me touch this before I go, because for the sake of other people that think that reason like this guy, this woman or this man. When PM said that DOS are busy chasing cow in the bush, ignore the fact that people that are enabling them are those in khaki. He said that not because he wants to go after khaki people, but he said that because that is what it is. Today, in Edo State, I deleted that video. Let me play the video. Let me see if I can recover that video. Some of you don't follow what we do here. That's why you keep on asking this kind of question. Because if you follow up, you will understand why army, the khaki people, are the reason why Fulanis are coming after you. As simple as that. They are doing that for a reason. They are not coming after you because they'd love to come after you. But Fulani is coming after you because they are being powered by those who are supposed to protect you. Whether you like it or not. That's what it is. Okay? Replace the... Let me see. Now, just a moment. I'm trying to prove something. Because this issue, reason why PM said that and DOS keep maintain that, is not happening in Edo State. It's happening in those states. I hope the video can be retrieved. I hope it can be retrieved because I deleted it after broadcasting about it. We published it on our second platform. Those of you follow us there, I think by now you should have watched that video. Where is it? Where is it? Just a moment, because I can't locate it now, honestly. But let me try again. It is a very important video that in those states today, people went out to protest. They went out to protest about what Fulanis are doing. After protesting, army started going to their houses and start chasing them away. And bringing back Fulani to come and occupy their ancestral house, their houses, their ancestral home. Not for any other thing, but to prove that, now we dey here. Without army, Fulani they don't have the strength. Their source of strength, their source of power is army. Army is the one doing that for them, doing the job for them. In a Benue State, the same thing is going on there. The same issue. So when you hear that COS said, don't chase army, don't chase them Fulani away, chase army. That has been the strategy since day one. Okay? Because if you are chasing them out from bush, army will come after you. If you chase them out and seize their Ngwogu, army will give another one. If you check them out, Army will bring. All right, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I just want us to go. This is the one. This is my video because I'm looking for the original source. Let me see if I can get the original one. Challenges. Yorubas also facing this moment. Yes, now they're facing it because look at what news said. A place called Owo. No, not that. Like I told you, this is a video that I have already made. Let me start here.
Who is carrying her governor? Who said?
Now, you get the point. Now, let me bring to you what happened in Edo State, like I promised, because we have to touch that side, of course. Just watch.
I look for you. When we got here, my view. When I want from anywhere from this world, now me get this property. I get the good.
Let's start. I told you about. I told you about what Army did. We started by mentioning what Army did in Edo State by going to houses of those that went out to protest against Fulani presence in their land and what Fulanis are doing. After the protest, Army now drove their vehicle and their caterpillar to villages, to their houses, just started pulling their house structures down. According to the news, what this guy, who happened to be one of the victims.
I want to look for you. When we got here, my view. When I want from anywhere from this world, now me get this property. I greet the good people of Edo State. Thank God I want to use this opportunity to meet many people elsewhere for the world. Now my property be this. Your house. Now my house. This is what we say at the state. Now my property. It's too young for young boys to get property for Benin. I come this place because I build house for the place. That day, I go see governor. Yes. Yes, now governor, what happened? My brother, as we reach us, now thousands of truck of army will come in for a day. The community. They say why with the protest. Say why we go government. They say why we go government house. They say why we they let the whole world know what that they do to us. Yes. They destroy over 30 houses. After that, they wanna come after that day. 30 houses. They talk to you now that then our community they destroy us. They see they destroy like this.
Who is spokesperson? Who is the spokesperson for our others here? Please, you introduce yourself and address Mr. Speaker.
Hey, what house?
The Honorable Speaker, House of Assembly, I welcome you. Myself speaking is the Nogio Forede, Osadebame Arawa. Sir, we are here to cry for your assistance and to help us. The army are invading our community, creating a lot of destruction, claiming our community land. And as men, they have created a very big camp. Our women is afraid to go to farm, and men are afraid to go to farm. As we are speaking to you now, none of us is sleeping, none of us is at home. They have already, they are in the community now creating destruction that we should not live in our land. It belongs to them. So please, sir, we came to beg you to assist us, to have peace from the army.
Yes, they are destroying our house, sir. Every of our property, even my house has been destroyed. My own house has been destroyed. We gave up main land. We did not give up our community, the full community. They are not driving us out of our house. Beating our beating our children. Please, sir. We are begging. We don't want to put law into our house, and that is why we are here. To nobody beg you to use your office to help the people of Ogede. The people of Ogede gave our land to.
So the person called Ogochukwu Okafo, you cannot see the reason why that your comment means that you are just one of the politicians, one of the P2B supporter that just regain your strength, your brain, but you are yet to deliver yourself properly. That's why you're thinking, so awkward. Because if you know what is going on, you shouldn't have that statement is out of point. Because only for the annoying part is that people like Van, the Eggman, and all of them, they know the truth, but they drive joy seeing how you guys display stupidity. That proves that they can lie to these people. We can also form our own group. And do you understand? Do you get what I'm saying? So that is how it is. And you don't need to come out and start ranting and saying what you're not. But you guys are doing that just because you people are now the mouthpiece of Ada Aisha Maria Abubakar. So you are now her mouthpiece in the CRC Republic. Una de crazy. Anyway, my people, I have to appreciate all of you for joining me this hour. God bless all of you. For those of you that are hacking to the message from PM that you should like the video and subscribe to the channel and put your comments. You obey PM, you are not obeying me. PM is the one that sent the message through me as Ahmad Biafra. So you guys obey the command of PM. My own is to thank you for that. And please make sure you subscribe in case you have not, and support us on our sister platform, which is Kai Report News. So please, before you go, like the video, okay? But if you have liked it before, don't like it again. No. Thank you so much, and please be around. Let's see how the fundraising will go. Thank you all, and make sure. Let me bring this my sister. He said, USBG, the only way I'll support that's the only way I'll support the government to stop this. That is it. That is it. God bless you, my sister. God bless you. God bless you. All right. Thank you so much, and God bless all of you. Bye-bye for now.
Over here in this camp, they have more than 3,000 underprivileged children. I made a video the other day to tell you that we are in Edo State and we would love to feed so many children. Someone directed us to this camp. We came to make inquiry and they gave us opportunities for us to cook for their children. So we are finished cooking, and look at the children here. They are much. I want to spend days with them. I want to cook for them every single day for at least 1 week. I would love you to send your contribution, any amounts of money that you have to support this mission. 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira, 3,000 naira. Food items donation for us to be able to feed these children. We will really appreciate it. We are currently on a mission to feed 1 million children, and over here we have 3,000 children. You can wave your hands, everybody. Wave your hands. You can see the numbers. They are much. Don't play. They are much. 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 Please, any amount that you have to support us, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. It's not easy to feed these children. Before we feed them, 5 bags of rice is gone, 10 bags of rice is gone, 15 bags of rice is gone on daily basis. That is what the facility is passing through. So please, I would love you to support us. Thank you so much for all the love and the contribution you've shown to us and our brand. God bless you, and see you in our next video. Bye-bye.